to Samoa Jan boom UAE enye kwa utimi hu se bibi besi biem e the next phase of life from recreation to economy sana me hu no.
Okay,
there is another revolution which is sports. Na said the gold ni e wo bia ye hu yusu no sa pepepepe na sports die nso ebeye nti aman keto abi ho a omuso ahu de China na yifo ne ye omuntumi fa the value anase sika Saudi for the dishe muntumi but omu di kwan ne so
omo ye omo so ne omo de.
yes de nti a Ghana ye ka we ni ne se ye oman a bibia wo wiase bia kire se esi amfa me fa no mame ade na nkofo na start omo ye no ye wo bi more na ye ntumi anya sika na omo di hyem ni kura anya bia ebeboa ye FIFA for eye ranking last year amaye wo wiase omo ye under FIFA omo doso omo nya under FIFA kwa de ye ko 214 countries say kura meboa.
Yeah,
the whole world ope omaya omo transfer footballers pa omo fa FIFA ento so mame.
okay,
Omaya omo transfer footballers ye to so nwotwe
Ghana
omayi
pacho say e wo ho a mo fa nto so
the whole world ope omaya omo transfer footballers officially ye to so nwotwe na hwe Brazil, hwe Argentina, hwe England
or say FIFA global transfer report.
Yes.
456 Ghanaian players involved in transfer in 2021.
the whole of Africa yetimi to so 2 and now 1 Nigeria ne bedi kan a omo ye over 200 million people nti yen yete se Abia State and Lagos but ye ni omo fight ya hihya sa ranking we afibia e kire se said the Ghana cocoa eye priceless on the international market no amanfo pay footballers. What to be point na say?
Me tia se pa.
We cry a reported transfer. Ghana unreported football transfer betima ye quadruple of this amount.
Omo edo mo fa
Kotoka any Togo. Efa afoma kwa Abidjan.
Odi other passport na ko ye.
Yes. Obi so awafa footballers no wan declare say o mo ye footballers or the omo ko Thailand akoye adwuma omo be ko no bo nti no mo koye. Omo betima ye 4 times. Inti imagine say ye transfer 2,000 footballers a year. More than that. Reported in here almost 500. Unreported Ghana yenyina yenim agents awomodeko. Partey was an unreported transfer.
Yes.
Kudus is an unreported transfer. Yes. Kamal Din is an unreported transfer. So imagine Niama is an unreported transfer. One course a transfer no. Or course or join Tima or me link to her. Christian Achu of blessed memory is an unreported transfer. Can you imagine?
The unreported no do so cry che.
Data na faro. The data na fani the free mo free cheater or code club or Portugal ni a reporter. Big names na mabe bono me unreported. E dia na ma wiase nyina hu ye say consistently your footballers ne boarding. Ana omo ye quality. Ghana Cocoa ye quality. Ghana Gold ye quality. E dia nti na footballers no so the whole world ye toss 8. Last year 7. Last 2 years edu baby the whole Africa and number 1. Why? How are we realizing?
It's just a talent no.
Forget about the talent count. World Cup na ekobo no kata no. There were 10 players with Ghanaian blood genes our mobile other country. No country in the world and there was our record no.
10 players.
10 Ghanaian players. 10 players.
Omasi free Ghana.
Omasi free Ghana.
Eboma different nations.
Edi ane wo genes no.
Okay.
Watimi awura obi o blood. Omatimi awura the first 11 and our first 18 of other country omo lineup.
Okay.
And now be okaso free Ghana nko eno kra man reputation say nkrofo we money born naturally. Obi kaso free Jamaica. Na okaso obetimi atumrika. One no nko challenge.
Yeah.
Sana Ghana DNT.
Because of Kenya.
Na it is our players na omoda so a ye call World Cup no. Jeremy Doku,
Belgium.
Muntari Mohammed,
Qatar.
Mebo Bob omon fantos unti omode to so a mekai kai na mabo. Ethan Ampadu.
Ethan Boma at
Wolves.
Listo
mon kai kai maybe. Memphis Depay.
And also Netherlands.
Jerome Boateng mo kra the last 2 years ne. Jeremy Frimpong.
Yes.
Netherlands. US for the no more too. Yunus Musa.
Yes.
Ono kwa de obowie o san ba Ghana. Bebre afonso Davis kakra wom. Inaki Williams niano. Nico Williams the war first no cry why
we Bayern Munich ni Alfonso Davies
bebrebe omo ye 10 Yunus Musa Canada no omo ye lie Derek Layo say why bokai Canada wo 2 Ghana ni ko wo no ho a Zion Suzuki Japan ne papa ye Ghana ne ma Ghana ni ko wo no ho a omo training na omo mre nti owura omo national team no because omo bi te say Canada ebi omo ye 80 million na 70 million and 50 million no omo pe footballers e wi omo ni asia bi omo host World Cup Ghana ni timi wuram wo ho na bi Sudan ni baako ba ye call World Cup no ye ne oman a ye wo World Cup ho a nipa omo free ha omo jeans wo ha omo bobi ma other countries e dey na kire science and facts and figures and logical reasoning na kire wo dey comparative advantage ball no na nyame dey achew ebi mu kra de ko geography kra kire say ukọ geography ma continental drift omo se na ye ne Brazil ye bom sa wo hwe Ghana ship na de kwohwe Fortaleza Brazil omo eastern part na se de honasia ship no omo se continent na pae na ne ne omo nyina ye pentinia nduane a ye di bode ne banche se de esi sa ne bibia no ye Brazil fo ne efiri ho Ghana fo ko ho mo se bibia te se Ghana nti ebi kra de attribute to continental drift se na ye bom na some years ago continent ne mu pae nti ukoka bomu a ye besa be hye hope nti ye nimbo te se Brazil te Brazilians of Africa sani ma no nyina kire se I'm trying to establish we have a comparative advantage in an area especially football sports athletics ni bibia batene my attention with football because me athletics I make because as far back as 1960-66 na ye America to change Jamaica for sprint ye ko mukrum ko gi gold say nyame de ade na che but football no bibia ma le ne kire say ye ni made ne ye na nima ye nim ye na e wo say ye tumi join the revolution na e ba no na yeso ye tumi nya benefit na benefit na wo say eboa o man no nyina enye a few that is why we are here and we can clearly see say baby aye dru no amanfo bi so revolution no but omo take advantage at the expense of the country. Yes. It's your mind and casa benefit also ye derive from sports and football no. Ye jai ya tono adejemu. Even though say ye pay naturally no. Say ye di akuma di achie na ye say amanfo bi adwen am say de mo kan nyina de enti ameka enye dede kwa eye big business. Bibia ni wiase. Kofi, there is nothing in this world betimi ama the son of a refugee. What you imagine $10 million a year? Nothing. No job. Just a cocaine. Alfonso Davies. There is nothing. And the son of a refugee, wakwa abruchi akwaje $10 million a year. Not even the best doctor in Germany. And a fraction of the salary of Alfonso Davies. Are they idiots? Obajimi. And Omutia says the son of a refugee because of talent. There is nothing and the work room ha ubetimaya ubenya 8 million you better $50 million. Mohammed Kudus from Nima. Dr. BNU free free Nima o save nipa 100 a night kra obi antua ne kasa esikano. The revolution. E die ne be wi ase be Kamal Din Sulemana why we 30 million euro. Free techimai. Ne ma me papa ni bi. Bibia ni ho. Enestunyama te single room wo kuma se ne ma me ne papa e de na be ma yaka se o ye 35 million euro at the age of 19 aje football. We have to be targeting an area. It should come to the benefit of the nation. Enti Brazil omo transfer one footballer o man no omo je transfer fee ni biti said the odi koko akwa amono ne omo say a national asset. Enti Brazilian economy no an integral part of it is formed by football. What transfer Robino Parliamentary kwatena say emra Robino omo gibi oman no mo di CCA. Jamaica 2% of their GDP is from sports running 2 million people. Ghana sports no a big business. Me catch them na do a Tottenham fan. Onim kwa Tottenham fan so see omo stadium. Abrofo nyam kwase afo no matena poso aba ha bepe say ye omo behwe say ye ho ofe. Go na ye na number bri kra tete enuazo omo didi kwa. Dia na mama Bruni Sisa Stadium. A big business, a big economic tool. And Kwame Nkrumah was ahead of his time. Kwame Nkrumah was ahead of his time. And what this pause a political and economic tool for emancipation. Ghana koshe Russia or koshe Hungary. Yes, and uncle for me before the no money a bubble or more share. Well, who say a superiority contest. And as I said, they drew political economic contest. And the Afghan is any man a yebon your money cow. And ya good ye. It is no more a game, it is big money business. Na ye omaya here. Nti you use comparative advantage nyamediama in this area. Eche abrofo omunimbo. Ya wo Germany for omu 1910 omunim hweye. Ye de omu fa mfidi ma na Ghana ne omu bobo. Titi omu grass so ne omu bututu o World Cup. Omu fa akora no CCS atete na. Yenso akora no odi 20 ne efre no. Obi abo akora ho ka player back ombetima abo no ho ka bia 40 million euro na 20 million wa academy omu de na koda. Ghana so akora ne nam park so ama samaya no aba bedu choko player bi agent bi ehu no 25 years or ne ko Europe china ne afre na ba Black Star woni Germany ni koshia na o mabo ne pepepe enye nwanwa nti sa o man we WhatsApp and na me dey me establish no say ye kasa wo we are not joking. There is a revolution. Yes, sports ne be lead charge. UK for invest, China for invest, Canada invest, Russia for invest. O my be hu. Yes, or more anya maybe I didn't show mu free. Obi see gold factory on the chrome. Oni gold. O more gold ni gold factory.
Ti be a man for Baba Fako.
Ya IQ no. O more to gold wo mu chrome. Na no na me catch say London. O more to form London. O more to form nyina ye train. Wa ma wona ye traveler. Gold wo ho anko mahu. Say gold e wo London a nko mahu. O more to form nyina. Omunya gold, but omu gold refinery ni hwan Switzerland mo no mo ba ha ye wo gold ni ni bi. The same thing with football. Until we have to be serious. Obi lidia no okwaso wonko wo tu no so wonko. Football is sacrificial job. Wo FA president wo kan bibia no so wonko agro na wo ye ntua oka
Mrs. Senipa kugu tamale ebre obia da no makoto aba ama no
yes
e die ntia
list award ya na oka no akura ne nam tamale omo board omo national team da akura no ye zero onidi kura o na panyi bia ko hu no wo se memo abo national team ye friend ba national team pe akura na fe o ye worth $100,000 Ghana hani percent na $100,000 obi nam tamale onidi ye gare no odi akura Fatau Isaku MP no oba wiase menkase bia wanya sas kan bi da okan Haruna Idris wanka also obi han transfer sas kan bi into na account mu da life why politics I cost 20 years Haruna Idris okan jokingly so who sas kan bi omo cannot or pass omo boa ofa akra no otete ne kakra akra no ye zero oni value but national team ba ko de ne ko abrochira obi si Liverpool si epeno Liverpool si epeno Sporting Lisbon si epeno Leicester City si epeno or £20 million. On our no £20 million we won't be your parliament. No, I didn't here. So we have to be serious. Let nobody think that we are ranting here because football as I grow and might be a revolution in there. We have the advantage. We will take it. And the reason why tonight you better profess some solutions are Emma individuals and benefited is a gold, diamond. Ne nyina o man no ebetimi aboye na obi a oni sika kra ne ba betimi abobi na odi abehwe abusua. That is the foundation amili.
Mirase Mateo foundation na wale na sepa e besa ba na fei wa ba be wram na ya hwe solutions no enso yankoi me pese ye ko na me di nkomo kakra obi mra na fei me ne eye onsu leni ni intro no emame owi a be ba Dr. Abraham Boache na doctor nso leni intro e de amame na list we de ato aso ansa na tapokumu enso ewrem obi akwaba
Jay Ishaya Chelana
no
correct then I also
bibia e come on until said e be bom ya na e de adwendwen ne kasakasa ya bai enwumre onso lew intro no ma me he fa na wo fa and ye problems any solution e de be bo Ghana football.
Well so uta yare malaria na go hospital they are filed that doctor no.
Yeah,
you see since 1982 a winning Cup of Nations until date 42 years INJ trophy no yakoko ko tournaments a ye free group stage ebi okra na omotumi awura final ban to kwenti omotumi anye cap no I'm say Brazil granted commission of inquiry ni committees in Ghana Badegbe Marshall Bailey committee na say mu Jamefe to the extent say parliament grana tenase the last African Cup of Nations here called Cameroon 2021 parliament tenase actually share Black Stars in modi monim actual home report at the command the right honorable speaker of parliament send the recommendations ni parliament yan nyina ye Ghana fo nyina no mo si anem wo parliament omo hwehwe mu no omo nyina so nie omo frɛ the current sports minister Mustafa Yusuf omo frɛ FA president mane koye omo frɛ national sports authority boss e mane ko ginam omo frɛ Andre Dede Ayu e mane PA committee na se so okay sa 33-page document na obo say yare no file ne da hodada
okay
we are a country, we talk, okay. We don't act. And until I say share din komono. But solutions no. As of 2021, Parliament had found the solutions to Ghana's problem. So that we don't waste our time.
Okay.
So every 2 years, 3 years, yes, Sabet Nasi. Oko kind Justice Jamefe Commission white paper na. And ke diswa can you be say and KNC. Maybe Rasa parliamentary report nim. And why Ghana is a talking country and not an action country? Why we keep repeating the same mistakes? Interesting because it does not make sense. Say Parliament bets that's no or see Ghana football. Me investigations no say in it here. Not 2 years on and not 3 years on. Yes, we are a sick country.
But say about Obi tries. Doctor, na Osule Foundation, mami, and I'm a list to her.
My foundation, they are very simple. The simple way to say Ghana for Obia when you position. Our Ghana ha say politics, say a football, say Bibiano. Two things. The woman.
Okay.
Either you make sense on what you're doing, or you want to make money. And now, question this one. And to me, who say, yeah, some of our politicians are Abagana. Any football administrators Abagana, no, they are, or more choose to say, they want to make money. Now, if you want to make sense, unyesika. Ba man be ye. Covid na some make no mood pa.
O man o kasa che Ghana for.
Yes. Some of our politicians are Ghana and some of our football administrators are Ghana because they can't football. Now the politics can and they run football. I mean, ma put the two together no.
Okay.
I dream pa no. Ye techno class no. Omam ko us for near that no mo bitia brofo no. In terms of addition Bibri my dear chair brofo bibri. We know for one subject to know as a professor, one subject pay. In Shambe 13. Between my studying they have chose. Say they want to make money. And no more sense in all. But if you want to make sense, you won't get more money. But o man be ye be nipa budget say we your demand come. But if you choose to make money, sebi because asem kwa na be.
Mate, let's have a hope you. Listo. Brian afi me.
Yes. On say yeah, so we only me a record our junior teams after Kurt by.
Okay.
What I say? Okay, so problem
ne ba be say because enkwada no mu no omo na bigina yempenifo.
Yes.
Nti say antete wo mu yi a esoro no so nye yi.
Exactly.
Nti mame problems no.
Eti problem e wo ne say enkrofo bi behave to say drug cartel. Enkrofo bi behave to say drug cartel. And drug cartel ye nyina nim kwan mo fa so mo behave. Omo hu say wo ye omo enemy a they find a way to eliminate you. Omo hu say wo no on kan ko mo ho a on so mo twa cycle kitwa bi because omo no abanya omo be chi omo nti omo cycles no kitwa bi even po so ye ni busuani na se ekwan a omo nam so no wa ndi su bi a waso be hye papa saa na yɛ football na akɔkɔyɛ ɛwɔ junior level hɔ teams a me bɛbobɔ mu din ɔmo na sɛ ɔmo dominate ɛwɔ yɛ junior teams no nti ɛno na yɛyɛ problems no a ɛno nti ama yɛn under 17 even wafu yɛkɔ a yɛntumi qualify even yɛ host bi wɔ Ghana ha yɛ yɛntumi qualify yɛ under 20 yɛntumi qualify nkɔ tournament bi ada ebiem ket bae yɛ under 23 yɛn nyinaa yɛ hu yɛgbɛ lefty border left ontumi po no ato ne nan na wa club bo afiri hɔ so the problem is that right the problem is that nkrofo bi na di omu players here den ewurawura mu emreko a ɛwɔ so omu be bie circle no ama ha den circle no betimi arobi every player. I remember say Makelele a question omu youth coaches ne say adenti na player bi say N'Golo Kante and to me ambo any of their junior teams and it is failure on their part. Omo na omu make sure say every player be omu robi e de ko omu national pool no. One player per want to me anwura mu no Makelele criticize French
federation no.
Yes say one player pe no but yen de no circle ni kiti bi and yen nyina the history of footballers in our country usikani ba onimbo ne bo usikani ni ba onimbo ne bo ya beti obabi abedi pelefi ewo wa a oba akra kudus a ohuni o ne chifi north eti babi omufifi asamoja onfi nkranza babi omufifi no se ye nyampanifo a omayomaje so ompese omuye niema bi ye nti no ye nkonkrase just tell him fa no fi se players we munya start say you could clearly see say eye nkrase na obetumi aden obetumi anya omo but say eye Accra teams nko ana bo ye national team
okay bibi say teams bi ba ko mienu miense bi na dominate
yes
eye junior teams
exactly.
Famira ho
Dreams FC number 1 and Dreams FC na keto kreku nankasa ono ankasa ne dia in God we trust okay keto kreku nankasa dia still believe keto kreku nankasa dia na nsen akase na nankana United Aminu Shado yen the relationship between Aminu Shado and FA president
Kasina nankana ya Aminu dia
yes nanu ya onu player wonu atumi abetiti player ma player to me born national team na ye
ya frɛ Kasina player on national
exactly
Sempefi
Obama me wa fact no
ni nyina fama omo na
we no
because
posti enya ade o na nsen a ani ba ho no e no mo de squad na ba mo form players baby o mo born enche but there are where you can go to Google
your problem no e collapse
collapse
say nipa bi a omo ye close to power omo players nko na bo na
omo kwatiti teams
omo titi teams nti omo players and tisa bi a Suleiman Taribo wareman ne ma mini bi papa ni bi no obo national team na sa wo was ade ne dia my facts
exactly eti Obama your first tournament ye ko ye under ye first there be way ye later kra me drew amema mo dia to the first tournament ye ko ye right ye ko wo under Ket ye ko Togo
okay
under 17
all right
Benfokuo and na under 17 coach Angel Benab FC player bako in God we trust player bako Atram Division player miensa Golden Kicks player mienu and a Dreams FC player bako then under 17 now be call 2022 or say a collab biem Benab FC player bako na e room list no omo amfa players no team omo ye den omo bo edian ye den ansha wonti it very difficult no so omo ye nkola so a very difficult say
so we
tracy omo say we no bo then ye be ball four nation tournament e o say bia Benab FC player ba ko Dreams FC player mienu eno so omo amfa players no teams omo ye den omo bo but because of say players no track here this is what you see and then you say e be a player na bo under 17 to more progressing in the under 20 dabi
straight under 20
ubo ye ma call up back wa and one no a very difficult say the next call up no be room because omo yusu national team need to build the players in profile what I say
no makoton no
exactly then under 20 Benin 2022 Dreams FC 4 players Benab FC player bako
Benab na yeti ni
Benab 2019 ya na yeti
one team because obobo nyina every call up bia omo
Benab
hey
every color bia say 17 20 Bernard player
almost in 2019 they don't have any track record bia say bia first I work as a Tema youth there
yes
am you players Tema youth player board national team only problem wafa player ball we are only problem no we mu 2019 ya na yete wo mu eno mu players dominate our national team under 20 AFCON 2021 February ene ye de ye ball sa tournament Dreams FC players 4 ena Vision 2 iti osekle ono no ye chief of staff no players and dominate the national teams no we opa bom ntina me date under 20 AFCON 2021 yen squad ube hu se omudin ne ye de ehihye ho then under 20 international assignment omoko international assignment se tolon Dreams FC player bako in God we trust player bako still believe player bako Vision FC player bako Bernard FC player mienu House of Lion player back on a Sempefe mienu.
Sempefe
vice president.
Vice president.
Vice president na ye ni se onu kope coach no. Onu aba be team.
Ama onu ni play. Na ze nipa be players be 14 out of 20 no.
Omunyina
a particular circle.
Omunyina F4 no
dey. And a possibility no so say other players no. E yo omo players no ma dey. Omo di omo akoko loan e wo be no. Eso high and also another way or use no
say ebia or Dreams FC and also still believe maybe e na kwa team bi o Techiman na ye de bia kwa team bi ebia okumase ti e fla na ya fra o ma free Techiman team nto nim say but ube trace no na Dreams na de na malone
yes omunim no kra making ena tolon cap na e ko na Indonesia ko share
France no
Indonesia for the under 19 for be share ye and also ye finish o group stage Dreams FC players 2, Bernard FC players 2, and a kick golden kicks back. Sa time na omo tournament ni mu no. Unim se ha sa amasa mobodu anko sa tournament okay. Sa mobodu wo fie no. Because of that team no mo kokugu ye nwani mas na Ghana for kasa nti. Ono so efre ono so ni players. Team ne maye no, ye free another under 20 players.
Under 20 ni bi tournament in all France no. Na efie so asa afre foforo.
Afre bi foforo ne sa mobodu and a fresh squad and Dreams FC players 2 and a real squad in him still believe player 1 Vision FC bako House of Lions 3 and a golden kicks 2 and a call Wafu Zombie in Niger we last tournament of boy and Karim 2 Dreams FC players 3 and also group stage in the free Bernard FC 2 House of Lions 2 and a Sempefe ono so wasa
Sempefe ndi wan kan kamini
ko fodua Sempefe o say me no mo ball 2 years ago me no mo ball final Port City no mo ball final division 2 and o mo de penalty share no mo be ba division 1 makado dia listo me ba mame ne atapoku ni nkomo sisi me ba no ato aso mame nko na me ne ata eni nkomo sisi na otimenga anumre what to say. No.
Hello, Kofi.
Fidel.
Good evening, Minu and Abibiaba over there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm the Bibiada Dima, your child. I'm in Champion and most of the one now. I'm in China, like T4, you know, so you may. I'm not list to like, said in the able to Mukana, said Bibino, Kofi. I was saying, we are trying to know here no to be. Say a chance, na.
Okay. Listo, we dey to aso. Ebra wo kasa na taba ye be sign in the room.
coach Karim Zito eko Niger no okogu ehun anim ase no ena Samobu Adu be take over Samobu Adu be take over no ono so e the team no eko Ivory Coast and all the dreams players miensa and also omo de you know list no omo de buy na din hyecha ene ye de
na edi enti na obefle players na on form club ensha no
say or the sha because omo aye den omo to adadi say yehu say trick omo use no na yehu ye make am what say enti anu no omo ko no
ma me nkwa yesi ata asan are ready hello ata listo nturi to asoma me
iti champ me to aso no eti eye ko Samobu Adu so de no ono so oko Ivory Coast no or the Dreams FC players miensa still believe bako House of Lions mienu and Benab FC bako ha mami stating say enye players na bi ombo na 17 na ye progress omo ana say collapse ebia ye first collapse no wom enti second year promoting derby
ukoba akwa
anu no obi foforo edu obi foforo so eso then ye be call na 23 kwa Japan South Korea friendly na ye 15-2 no Benab bako
mama san checking hwade hello ata
Ameton coming here call there. Like under 23 na Ibrahim Tanko here. There was one boy me friend na manager no. Na me friend no sini na mwa me bisa say friend say almost say friend Samuel Boat na ne hu tedi ni de kan sa be no see akan otechuma everyone na say ama ya de pass mo timi abo ewure mo otechuma na be hu say players yo. Na me so dem chance o ekele ya no bolo my wana me usu miti nti ade amoye omo titi teams ni bebre omo players na mo de omo national team no guys say course under 17 no e be catch Ghana for say mo Karim to afro omo no ontimi inform the next under 17 because omo nyinyi ese omo ni omo born ye kan omo so ye mu kroma na eventually ye under 17 list no nkra ni ba kokra no ani di wo like in Simba, Ramsey Moon wafre from. Oma ya ma wada ho, but obi emi mbo mo chem so okroma, obi emi nka o masem. Nti ye de ne sa ye na ye gu ye national teams. Then ye friend under 20 national team. The sunu mu ye maybe ami fi Samobu Adu bizan say adena wakoto nsa Africa we pray for 3 months etifie or more ball. Oh yeah, na 20 na or no, I was say play when come. One and also it say Jesus Christ. Template when I'm model friend. Wow, you coach no. You can't me and say training me see grab akwa. Our friend now we bra. Say na akra na nkasa no akra ben. One na me friend go friend akutobo afuna me say I said my coach catch me. Yeah, the details na akra na say coach who ehhehye ne kakra say why na ye line up na ma so wo friend kra so mmebobo a why na de lap ma akra we practice 3 months one friend so mmebo under 20 because obi ambo obi achem so obi anka obi ahwe omo de ne saa players are no mo boy in local league no chan team no omo koba na obi so masema omo ntimi nya no dodo na we opting out of the chan team. Because some Olympics players they play. Because some Kwame Otu because of the Kwame Otu na a cat player or the name vision loan. Just say and some say ngonai. And some say basa. Obi an to be a full kroma. Obi an carrying true be a. Obedrin wadrin uti asia kra enyi enkosi daben enkosi daben. I mean, for how long? I had dream.
timi asolve saa problems we a enti enkosi da bɛn ɛne yɛbɛtena wahwehwɛ saa nneɛma we nyinaa ama nakɔso na asɛe yɛ football no.
Well, you see, problems no dey solution no edan aban any effing. Effing nankasa omu product Ghana League na yebon. Oma say no mo dey bet. For the first time in our history, there is evidence to show say team in for the matches bet. Ini nya score lines by na dey aburo so. Omu kofa sponsorship by enye papa nti na nipa ne ko. Until they are unable to manage the local product, which is the league. They have failed that. Ghana League sending is and then tisa. National team na ya buying no so we see and koda. Senya Nora Hoptel and all ye BB with Black Queens. Any idea? Prepare with first Kofi Black Princess. Omoko Costa Rica. Eco World Cup. Sa World Cup no omoko boy. Sika ye de soma Ghana delegation ni so omfa nkobo team ne ho bra no. Costa Rica buying mobile no almost scam over hundreds of thousands of dollars. They see no be a mohwa. Ya din ye hwe. Say yakobo board yeba. Na o man sika no. Costa Rica buying CZ because he declared. What is even done is that only
for bebre ATND ye sika no Costa Rica for a CZ scan eh there boy sa story ne kakra
yeah kobo to no ye had flight na call nti no na the immigration procedure no e wo form Pamira ye wie na ye ba no ye the private commercial flight na ba e nti na o sanke tu dwa say sika say na hye ye ho they said the all airport o ka say o me sika say na me di tu kwan na ye won sika wo ye ho a ye di tu kwan ya nka na Costa Rica aban no se omo seize scam ti afi ne ebe ka cha aban mpanyimfo na attorney general ne nkofo international travel ensem say by a seize sika that night by anybody at the FA. There are people who even believe that the money will be never FA or a part of delegation or ma tip off and same thing. But the substance of what I'm telling you is that Black Princess called Costa Rica. We failed to declare the money we had on us. Yeah, but Costa Rica funds of Masiziska. And yeah, Black Princess. Black maidens. Akobo against Morocco. I age cheating. Ya chien, ya banning. Edi ningwasi abekaye. Na Fredachi or Kespen. Odru Safo Susuna Monchen and another media house say. A central phone a cote to ma Morocco phone who say in place na the omobono na omu ages ni aye hu bibi. When will these people take responsibility for their actions? Nobody. Ya banning a Ghana and bomb man under 17. A man under 20 need the equani a film. Ye nyadi they are qualified for Colombia. Ye nyadi oho. Nemu baby a horde one a black maidens no. Ine kai jena yam nkran keto anko mbenya kwenya akosi akama Ghana no because of the negligence of the management committee eni omudwuma omandin yi at the FA level ntino ya ban Ghana from the under 17 because he could na Morocco for che. Nobody has accepted responsibility to apologize to the young Ghanaians omu dreams the inept of people are there. We are no blaming in Central for. About Aisha to Zakaria na Happy FM. No, do money the relationship on the Morocco ambassador one. Emson na akotito. Where is the shame? When him go see when? Kaye we and nanka wa pacho. So when you do me and nunti na sanyo man by obi ankashi. Black Stars asem cry them say ye be nyetwem because me no me dey na me na say nkofu yasa. Na nya dey bibi besisa. We have a management committee, but the Marquine, Emma Stade Rennais officials, about Pullman Hotel, in the full glare of everybody, any Ali to say to Betnasi, signing contract for his impending move. You are destabilizing the camp. Akrana they are moved now by intimate Kase Manenko. Nemum the air, and they say, you find a con chain in a different hotel. Akushia team nimpen for no more in Como. They also sign say medical be number why simple media work so we cap pictures near the why Nensu Derby. Yeah, my Omoba Pullman Hotel and a Bay Sardian. Who was managing the Black Stars camp? A Kokata was a similar thing. Nipa ne wa Black Stars Hotel no. Times 2 the Black Stars team and coaching officials. Wow, Kokata be our own Black Stars Hotel. Ubia Obi. If you penny nearby, chief director, we say, and some say no. Near Kudio. It is a me national team. Na me the amount secret so mami. Na nyoma we nyina nkuya. Na me te hona me hwe. Kese me the ane se na ba me ho se e be gisika de akoye me national team no. Come. The same people have mismanaged their own product, which is the league. And they are mismanaging our national teams. Nipa kakra bi fa ho the Ghana national teams no pesika. Club owners ayemum because we can get the victimize. The national teams are Golden Cakes, Semperfi, Still Believe, Dreams FC. I mean, how? Where? And in the econ. Nano bright any program no Kumasi. Na obi onu why football chroma squad diva me abona baso no. A national juvenile championship a ball Kukwase Astro Turf Park or Bantaman. Technical team member of under 17 ba kukure ni wa oba ho. Yebo tournament in 3 days later no makoye roster for under 17 players. Into wa mahona region adding the player by a bond. Players no conform free in never. When see competition like what kind of regime they running? Your bonnie. Omo ye your bonnie. Omo saying be dashing. They are ya.
Yeah, BKB wa ha na mamiko BKB ho na Obama nso wa ha na Obi any list well enti Boston by mame mesa basisi am ye di enkomo kakra mame list na wo come by 1 minute we na fi memra
chairman enti no we listen kra de yeah listen de medical bobo wa ohun under 23 the same thing so mama yeah now there's another conflict of interest. The entire make us say how ye football no ye run ukrum ha akwa say drug cartel no mame nchrobi development and event ma ukọ
kasago microphone
mame nchro nkrofo a omo run ye football no uba administration
okay
na ma chro the amount of money almost spending was administration no wan say enkrofo bi na make money
Chireme.
Ama Brobe Williams. Or a relative of Ketukreku.
Nabusiani.
Yes.
Ono ye day.
Ono only a head of women's development and event manager at the GFA.
Okay.
Philemon
Ama Brobe Williams.
Yes. Dr. Philemon Mensah, head of medics at Dreams FC, is now the team doctor of Black Satellite.
No, ono nene Dreams FC for omo doctor. And I say why satellites.
Yeah. Jama Marabi, ono only a ket adamfo pa obroni bi na ya no didi aha. Ono no a head of marketing. So who sponsorship be or the aba FO. Abdul Karim Zito, yen nyina anim Dreams FC. Say ono aja o ya under 17 under 15 under 20. Ono na chese obo.
Zito su coach the hu bi oga na
but resource no so no ye hu. And ye Haruna Seidu Maswa at Dreams FC is now the equipment officer at the Black Galaxy local blasters. With a dorm so no ono so benya appointment e wo aye Black Satellite. And Daniel Yankee, director of Proton Sports and Service. Ono ket no e woni sa
Proton no.
Now no ono ye equipment officer of Black Stars. Into Utumi Jai as director. Ebe Black Stars equipment officer. So who say yes?
Or director of Proton sports agency. Yes. And as they say, on Wababe equipment officer. Black Stars.
All right. Yeah, it's Malik Mumuni, welfare officer at Dream Services, now equipment officer Black Satellite. Michael Osekle, chief of staff. Ibrahim Dose Adam, team manager of Dream Services, now welfare officer of Black Satellite. Teresa Nelly Mensa, finance officer at Dream Services, now welfare officer of Black Maidens. Aminu Shadow, no crowd here. I was said, Nana Dika, a sacking in Umbria. On the side team, no, also help Blasters players, or no, what do. But brother, I'm telling you, what damn young Cromo.
I mean, shadow.
Minami Cacho, a Juma, why any dear Juma Fumpa, or no better now, or say, or person bridging the gap between Ghanaians and the Blasters. And they will call Blasters 1 year do at them. Oko Blasters one now quest as na yes ye show ni bi as ye pese ye dey nsa kan bi ye pese ye ne de macho man bia ba beja
Ivory Coast untumi nkom hotel ho untumi enko Black Stars hotel
untumi nko because macho man no and so that time no o say macho man no de na oye na e kire say nipa na no pese okobo yi no ofi omo aside because macho man who twa video kekekra o so oga akwa bi o de nsabo akwa bi tirim eti omo nyina eti omu sagofo nyina wo se yi omu free Blasters ni because players ni kura me se mini players track
there be what's my okay dey Black Stars nkwan national team kati across family and friends and what more bia position. I mean
shadow dey also losing position na nwumre ya na do tiemi a on sack
no technical team ya sack say e kan no
hwe omu be ye ne so no ka management on bodyguard no mu ka management mu affect omu then o hwe David Alifoy on head of marketing at Dreams FC on brother of Gigi say no ono director Ghana Man Soccer
excellence
ntuntum na ewe nkrofo na Winifred Mawuku Okraku a sister of Ketokreku ono na say director of Ghana Man way
Soccer of excellence
from administration anyway na wonim say omusika omunya FIFA no 90% echo into administration to go so omo expenditure items you have we go say birthday celebration say staff utuane kano or say the birthday you to me 60,000 Ghana cedis near the birthday the man na your black national team coaches in Omoka. So this is what is happening Ghana football na mimidi tuga it is a percent anuncia e wo say Ghana fo nyina aboyen na ye kan ye twi omonim enko kwese ni paketu bi na chese omo na omo hotel omo e wo say Ghana fo nyina ye kasa obi atwena no kasa na mo de mo pe kasa dodo na de bia sa but the thing is that you are civilized country ye oman ya to bomba ka bia ka me ma to bomba dada but ye oman ya ye de mra na ye adwuma etie ye ka ama mra na ye de aye adwuma na mra no be ye adwuma wo se Ghana fo nyina join ni because etumi nkoba se abusuafo nyina ye tu omuka enafofo nyina ye tu omuka but the resource na e wo se eba emu ye nyina ye ni gi no wa wo de hwe ye ne Mozambique fo boy to net mu o de wuti wo hwe ade ewura mu sanyema we se ne kuni pantem no sanyema se ne kuni pantem no iti ye kasa omunye football ni ye and omoye omadwe se enya ade omoye football ni ye because ye start se ye kasa ansem we enye ne Kofi ye start se ye kana enye ne chief of staff na omu wini ba ko a na omu to ye no I know my level ni nyina enye we bia obi kan about parliamentary report no nkofo be ka cheso muni do a katafo assign deal kire say mutual benefit e betuma ko campaign ho yet there was amount a allocate here e de share mu say baby e koda no yetu aka in 2021 eti ye ko enum anase ye ba yechi say nkofo bi de make a lot of money resource na ye hia no ye san ye den enka ti Kofi me abufu ewo mi mu no
masa ba so bio na unim say enei Black Ghana SM cancel bi enchro na Black Ghana enkrofo a omo experts de ba artificial grass no on say no artificial grass no edoso wo man mu pa GMPC CCB na mo say no say opese wo ye bi wo man temu a ope experts a Black Ghana na omo say kan cho say omo no high quality no be ama o consistent enya de a wo ye ya afi mfie mienu na esei ombema durable surface a eno so obo say o bobo so a utim say yes we artificial grass pa na me boso eboyi omo say omo no omo grasses na omo be e de ama ono eni kwan say ehia say odi nsuo begu so enso de bia na green na solid a obetumi e de asi akan bia opese wusie omo say omo be artificial grass no ema wa little maintenance pe na obehia enti odia no say obe contact Black Ghana na ene omo say enka ncho say playground bia pese oye bia omo ba no ma ba be ye e de ama sanso ena wo fie ena wo pese wo design ho grass artificial grass ibia eno so mbeba no ma ba be ya mo bia function center baby a wedding baby a parties no ho so pese omo ba na omo be lo omo be lay artificial grass ni bia eno so omo beba no ma ba be ye e de ama community pitches there say Ghana ha Black Ghana ho ena obia free omo amoma pitches no say the medical catch no quality ni high consistent ena omo durable surfaces a omo beye ede ama onti bra ye bo afkon omo se enka ncho say so unhi omo service a 20% discount afkon mre ye mu 20% discount bra on a Black Ghana AD enkomo ye hwehwe ye kira kwan ewo American House East Legon offer 0506526859 0506526859 and 0240 433-888 na mpenifo di nkomo 0240-433-888 na Black Ghana edi nkomo na artificial grass ne turf ni na omo ababele ede amount said the medical catch on the only waterproof paint easy waterproof paint eno na make am for the amount onwumre say upese wo paint wo dan eno na the paint wo dan ensuo to ewie ebo etim de etim obi wo ha o the easy waterproof paint ni fie enfie mi ensanie enso hu a obeka say last week eno paint here if you say eno ena durable ebeboa na fe wo fie no de bia na tija easy waterproof paint say enye easier ento paint bia Mamemra Chama Bikebi akwaba
Well, the traffic is bow. But about him, you couldn't sign up. Now, him said, me and him prelims. When you're bound, so no time, straight. Ghana, we're a sick country. Ghana, you nipa. Kabaka Swahili. It's a Ghana, you nipa over bra. When you're cushionia. Sabi unim nyansa onim Ghana a problem pa na say first no say o ka say we can say we radio so yen kasa am create be say nkura no pa na timi ka no kra because about time I was a kind of question say I mean it all I mean madam I have 3 kids me pay am bo wi ase nyina ne say metimi raise me money well enough so that my prayer is not that they will come and take care of me my prayer is that they will be able to do well for themselves never do baby they will come back to me and I'll give them money again. That's my prayer. It you sure say 77 Duncan Williams, the parents and the Mabe. We sure say another Duncan a good father or do I didn't send a
I'm feeling near Papa Doctor.
No, and that's the back of your business. Failure. I was daddy. I knew you was what you were not try for. Aha, it is all no son, the answer of Bobra or Bob Brandy. Now you're Ghana. Sabia Ghana ye papa. Ao tifi. Ao smani masa munko yadi mbra. Unim. Sisi eti oka ye papa Dr. Koko ting. Me real life examples, right? Ye papa Dr. Koko ting. The baketwa eko school. Ebi oko JHS. Obama nso ba ketwa eko JHS. Omo nyina be school fees pe unim se nganjo bi ase school fees ni we was can di etua no we nja kaka na we nja we but expenses Obama baba ye a odi ko school no and the expenses at Dr. Koko tin baba ye no e ho na difference be ba bombe exams pe you write the same exams now so Obama ba e ko Obama ho ka chere say daddy next week me be say we dey Bentley the school because Dr. Koko tin ni but e dey Bentley na e ba as no ba Omega man say I'm so yari because me can't use every cola Cool and I'm the back with you. So the quoting a year, a human basse, the bandit, 10 CD and they go school a day. No Bobby 21. Bobby 21, they will still go to school. They write the same exams. That is how Ghana is behaving. Ghana behaving like the poor man and the baby school. But the poor man no. So the only doctor go to back school. Also Obama ba a day 100 cities a day go school. That Dr. Koko think about 10 city best school. Angel. Even though he knows that Dr. Koko think was catching. That's how we are behaving. In Ghana, me who say document here how much government has spent on the Black Stars since 2019. When him say 2021, then I can spend 2.5. Because I say I spend it. Yeah, we are doing bonus. When him said 2021, the winner of the AFCON was taking 4.5 million, right?
Yeah.
Ghana budget for the AFCON was 9 million.
Angel.
Wow. It went to someone who calls himself a minister and he approved it.
Angel.
Why? He approved it. He signed off. Took it to government. Oh, President, your first mom, your budget capital. Now, so bit to not the building said, but down so it's your free down over. That's a who no who never got why they. Fantastic. That is the state of Ghana, a state of madness. We are mad. The fact that Mr. Publican, as if you are many are mad, few are naked. Some you've been run on 90 or more than. This is a country. If we say you start here, so let's pump money into the Black Stars. Let's pump money into the Black Stars. Look at the Black Stars. Say you're starting. Say you're what has been the achievement in 2021 AFCON? Every player was given $20,000 as appearance fees.
20,000.
20,000. You go buy AFCON. You kick a ball. You might play via $20,000. Now, me, I am a businessman. Sabi, you do me. I mean, I am a dum and no man in the radio. That I go quote in a mere woman, which I make a year, what Tommy. So do we never get to answer me about as a doctor. It's Sawada. I could tell you, become. Or that's all for you, open bearing. Now, me could be of a papa. I'm sorry, my son, your Marco. And you might be Ghana Black Stars players, they are businessmen. You guys don't see it. One man $20,000. We're free in the team. After 2 weeks, when you're 20,000, what motivation do you have to stay more than another 2 weeks? What do you You are staying over there. Who did you know that? Who did that? Sorry, I'm at $300. Now go for a dear children. We have $300. You see, any 500. Adiachia 500. Adiachia 500. Who did 10 days? No. When you're 5,000, you're somewhere 20,000 over tournament. You say, maybe you didn't want to go J cap for 7 million.
Black Stars players, no. Every day we are 60 million.
Oh,
what the background is come 60 million.
We have been doing this not now. Yeah, be seen. And nothing here name ya say discussion we Opa you rewind the uncle last year. Last 2 years around this time discussion here. Yeah, have it. Maminya Dimincho. Is he a coach? Okay. What's your coba ministry day statement about one thing? Ministry statement no. Meaning say ebia mo man am send man for to so
ministry statement be wa.
Aye. Okay. But then can we for 2 years ago 2021 there.
So ministry statement no.
This year. Concert statement. Words. Who's the what brofo no church brofo no ayi. No can canvas because even a Christian better die. Christian from oko this year then. To move like 2021. Oh, Opa, yes, I'm caught next AFCON next year. Another statement, member. Oh, we are a country that doesn't learn. So being minister, would you mind any signing off you a friend say budget so. Only see a sister you stadium near what Ungophobia from National Sports Council coaches. So now I'm for Nima. Did I say and that your problem, partner, said there are people, a lot of people who are in football, running football, who probably didn't like football those days. Yes. And then they are in football because of the money they are getting, not the passion they have. Those times, Otia Kente, Nana Frani, or Sam Dodu, all those coaches,
National Sports Council coaches.
Normally, a National Sports Council coaches.
Akwetama.
Joe Sam. They work for government. No money, everywhere. Now buying and I could train you. National Sports Council. It is a team B coach. A buy will coaches be then you can choose one. If you try to call Sandy pay or a buy.
or yeah, Jumano. To that time, not bribe no, and no so.
Okay.
What you say?
Yeah.
I dream about into those times. Say Brony J. Juma Hokwa, it's me time so. You have a man, Franny, and now or some, and now say we, and now we. And then today, we are here, Coach Ko. Young man can quench on which local coach, anyway, Tagazagazu, where you're mowing.
Oh, there be a Mikasa Papa, you know.
But Unimadi, Papa, that's not Papa, Uko Germany, Papa, you know. There are Brony Trans, Obama, no Obama, and more, you be a China for planning. Brony Trans, no, it's okay. Last year, not doing a year wrong. Where first, no, Ghana boys are no more fraud. Yeah, we are to be shopping phones 50. No, you could see your address. No, we are koji. It's so bad. He said, "What is shop? Ni bakura je ni ebechino. Udru FBI ni bochi UPS car na no FBI. O yon say o san na hang of gunsa. Obitim boko no 5 years and ya bechino mo dem. Oh, o conform o planning no so gboni na tena se pekon obefa so acho. In the same way, football can na Ghana can't be the independence and Africa Ghana near question 7, 14, 20 near Cheniaba. Now all those countries we cannot play with them. You know why? They are planning, we are not. Ghana near brand tiana baba wa brabo nyina sing amebeye. Or two nyina to full so cartons na de chen ambe. Inti penyina ya fa na kotena a position of authority like the ministry. So the minister should sit down. No but about transfer plan be he doesn't care. Because Ajuma dey na there. Eba no approve sign. Say how secretary don't worry, I'll sign for you. No, the con will lead it to president. That president, oh okay. Na uditi ye man penya Ghana for to obey you. Atemi nyade areho no no. Ye man penya Ghana for to oba. Ye gina wiem. Ato oba di oba so ye man penya on obedi so. O ma suko no mafo wi. Adada o sa. O me anoma dada e kwajaba. No go gris ka mo mo. No makwaba. Empty-handed. President, me assure say Ghana Medical Association for friend meeting. Waka to so oni time. Or sorry every ebe kumase. Any blaster for be having dinner. E ma stone boy be to no mom ye party. E no mo koy. Ye buy the buy.
Bibiama.
Empty-handed. Yasa baby. Oh, next year Obama na don transfer. So osa transfer another year omo kwa obesa ko. The reason is that yaman yo men na ye light your so if we fail and Ghanaians talk the next 24 hours, the next 24 months, Ghana need be a refi. Let's move on. But adding tina, yeah, okay. Looking in the face of doctors who save lives. You think how many got say? Doctors almost strike. You think say if you don't go back to the consulting room, we are not going to even negotiate with you. But when players decide that the president goes to beg them. We are a confused state. I loved that man when he was a sports minister. Anna Man Fontiasem. Yeah, before. Yeah, radical style of leadership. Okay. Hey, the entire country is a Mali, Equatorial Guinea, no one from here, you know. Whole this the one my police soldier for the job a show. Okay, can say democracy is good. But also a sad now, you Black Stars performance power win. As I about coaching. Yes, you dissolve the technical team. What about the management committee?
You dissolve it.
The management committee chaired by Makado, on the call the AFCON in Cameroon, on the call World Cup. No, the about win so 3 tournaments. Didn't have feeling, but the committee is still there.
No, Cameroon,
On fait encore or they call Qatar anyway. Georgia Mako na they call Cameroon.
Cameroon, yeah, Georgia Mwako. Oh, 2021. Georgia Mwako.
Oh, no. I'm in Palace.
Palace, no.
Georgia Mwako.
No, on the Black Stars management committee chairman.
Mark Ado, chairman. Mark Ado.
Makado was the chairman of the 2021.
Oh, no. Okay, yeah.
Georgia, reconstituted after Cameroon.
After Cameroon.
Joro Oko Qatar. And Ivory Coast.
But on the chairman for the committee that brought Milo.
Yes.
For the AFCON.
On was chairman for the committee that's going to bring another.
No, that one will collapse tonight.
Nani, as I'm there, sir. The CC have come by. Have you heard from the FA? There should be a technical report about why Ghana failed. Everything no be about Parliamentary Select Committee or inquiring. Okay. Yeah. Can they you as some kind? The day you say as captain, we have any responsibilities and say. Also on the leading team, no, when they have to negotiate on bonuses for the players with government.
the ono ya no.
Oh, usa. Read it.
Answer.
Because yayira. Ghana said the ACA and human nyina and na list okan. He say every president, any people close to the FA, players never born national team, your youth size. It be do by the time maybe we on back top no. That be nimbo. You could only say and na kind every players in Kwana do Ghana. Into Kwana envelope tanichi. But kaneno na nata kra mani amponum hwe danado mombobo. Ono na do ni parents ni bi no be chess come out. But you scouting because you're a good player. Into na kwam na kwakobo. Not because Oscar into say what stadium dey be. Escafona omani jibo honka they are opening ebia or division 2 division 1. No I get it close to people at the very helm of the FA. No I hear you can pay meboa unye bi meboa say me players 2 bi there. Obi afre panyi bi say who Ghana near branch bi wo Netherlands at Italy. Na oyebe 16 years. Omo kunu wo kromo nchobe say Ghana for him so betia scouting say bi o man mrakura no ni under 17 for. O say di ba ka gen so ya cha slots na wi o. Ah ya cha wi nti so free we on the slot back be ma. O unim so mo cha slots man be committee for no. Unim so mo cha slots.
Obi a slot or the player ba.
O mo cha slots. Unim so mo cha slots. That is why we play under 17 tournament in Kumasi regional. The under 17 coach, national team coach, when see because selected players now we
Inter schools.
Me say apart from inter schools, no,
Under 17.
almost regional under 17 tournament.
The whole Ghana.
Yes, Kumasi.
National.
Yes, Kumasi.
Under 17 coach Amaho.
Kokwasi Parks. When see assistant, see second assistant, when see Do you know why? You select we. Into your teho, any nyoma, ye per se. Blasters, but Konoma Koyadi. Blaster players, me, I don't blame them. I blame the people who are leading them. Because many fear, first year, black stars who walk through the streets. Now first one go cricket to go ball. Ungo said go black stars. How him, a man for refi. Obama mbe coin to the policies and but yemra the real issues. Blaster players buy a CB campo. Yes, you go South Africa. I didn't try. Yes, you. So don't be on peace of mind. That's a Ghana they treat your muscle. So don't be on peace of mind.
Yeah, terrorists.
Normal training. Now, Honorable Mustafa Yusuf as well catch Parliament so that they will not be then by the media. Disrupted by the media. Yeah.
Until they inform South Africa.
Oh, no, don't call Katabako. I'm calling a cover TC camp.
Yeah.
No.
I agree with that.
I don't say the comedian be Madrid. But every national team is supposed to have a connection with the nation. Every national team. Mekai Emra Fred Papu, Black Star Management Committee chairman, say we win for that. 2005. Not Black Stars be Bobo Kumasi. He personally organized a media soiree. Or no, and some free players in by big players, Stephen Appiah, Michael Leeson. So talk. These are the media people. Talk to them.
It was a day before Kivet.
Yes,
I remember.
Any player, you invite almost
yes,
I
remember.
You say, Obama, Michael Leeson, when you didn't come out, although Chalimon tired, you know.
We came to eat.
You could do any players, no players here, the journalist near didn't come out because he felt that also bring them close. Closer, the support comes naturally. So you say, you're Ghana. I did back to pen and Pebian team choose national team.
Yeah.
Can we be choose? I say, maybe I don't know, maybe over to the US and Ghana because we choose US. But say Ghana and your own, you're Ghana. So you choose Ghana. Until the audience say, you caught love and yes, slogan and your hashtag. You caught love. How do you do it? A calculated attempt. Say, Ghana for me, but it's the team number. Oyin na nya de bi, Mr. Wa. Obia empe Invictus, a movie. Obia empe bi. When Nelson Mandela
was it movie need to say
Invictus.
Okay.
When Nelson Mandela became the president of South Africa, no many disastrous rugby World Cups. It's not South Africa for no. Who rugby team and both. And as a post apartheid. It's not rugby team na abro fun kwa. Omo national team national anthem anom dey now. Na agba na etwagu. And no fresh captain. I want the presidential palace. And I'll say, I want to see my national team sing my national anthem. I want them to feel they are representing a nation. They are not playing for just anybody, they are representing a nation. And I'll start asking them to win the next Rugby World Cup. Only what he did. Training back, the fair rugby penny for no. ɔkɔm meeting no mo yɛ meeting owura meeting sɛ fɛn nka ɛfɛ ɛyɛ esco meeting no mo ɔsamɛte hwehwehwɛ de sɛ na do aba na ɔbɛtena meeting no I came to meet you ɔkɔɛ no ɔka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ Mandela ka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ there is a gap between the South African citizens and the team because blacks ni feel say Robin the abrofo na ebo nti omo mfa ho obi an support nti omo first omo be training no say come camping first no omo go England omo manko omo ntan South Africa wa and no move the entire team and also omo go training was so where to get to baby blacks ni guna o ye so where to even say kebia Black Stars ebe campo Accra yes you go Nima ana Medina Astrotef no ono mko training na nipa be twawahia we no catch say these are the people you are going to represent omo tenam kwa obi je true sign obi say these are the people you are going to represent and no omo titi East Legon because we are boys no omo titi East Legon Trasako njom vi zomle Trasako for no mo bobo ni chrob ejom ni so Ghana for nya titi Trasako ye ntiwo oba bi Nima Medina Amekom Asafo Ashtown aha those are the people you are going to represent. Or yes, I know working on their minds. Their first game, almost bo. I almost pray. Everyone's a pray tournament game. No, the entire team could sing the anthem. The entire team. No money to omo anthem. Or as a president.
What or her?
Or her. Omo to anthem you are no do. Also, or say adio hunyano is to see his team sing the national. Ghana, say it here because of your name. Say yes, said the grassroots. Now the trend is that yet is a Ghana ni obi de free no bobo England ni akoni akofo na ba yet is obi de we ni akofo na ba ya kofo mu nyina ba wi a over antem na no mazi no mu jina ho
there was a player who was crying memfa say eye ne ya de okan Ghana ni obo national team ya call press conference me mo player ni di because oye o sacrifice e pa ye busa question Ghana bi atwi kura na ka English na ka afofo no so aka English player no te French onte English and onte question aye nyina ye ka onte French Ghana so onte French nti ye busa player question we English na ka afofo a translate ono akasa of French na ka afa ye Ghana e player
no translate actually
onim de ye can be a one
because it busa who say those people who are supposed to be the managers what are they doing me I personally sent messages to people at the FA. I don't want to because of my say print the national anthem and share it to the players to learn it. Come on, no me. Omo tell you number print it no mun they are representing a certain national team. Now, yanye we nyina yakwa ya bay. O de hwe, once blaster free ma the players ne bi e bi su cho mam yewu. Na we mu bi.
Why?
Movie.
Enipa na say
2019 opa on.
Enipa na hu say ase oye pain kudus. Ono kwa na hu say ase bi an kakra.
Because me blaster ko omom ko boy me kudus. Me jiku, me ashimeru. Omi ensen nye hu say omakoso omo ko bobo. Omo maka they went on holiday. It we players no. Look at their body language when they were leaving. And who caused it? Covid ye nyina etie. Asema eken 2 years later Baba kan blaster winning was 10,000 appearance fee 20,000 oh near kika say Ghana here diam ye say oye trader why do sika akoto bank anyone when nyina you be the haircut wow sika you capture every Ghanaian to understand that the economy is hard and to be answer na so Oma yentimi nka bi nchiro mu ye football.
Me da seke wike bi mesa babio me babio a eye obi una obehya ase de amame na still aye 1 hour eda yanim nti obi bewuram na Sadik enso ene BKB na Bishop Atapoku enso ede ababrum sesi e mame nsa nche kakra mame nche sika ne kakra bi ha mame nche oh Dr. Rambo ache ewa doctor obeba no obewuram ede amame na maminya dikodi na minche na maminche ska kakra me pa cho medical che 1000 me say ba be che foforo nti fa phone no na dial *256*1 hash *256*1 hash *256*1 hash na what select option 2 Angel FM Accra option 2 ni Angel FM Accra into uwia na wa enter ticket number of tickets a pese auto medical catch say ticket no baako 5 cities nti the opese auto bia obetimi ato e de agum uwi ano enta omomo pin no bon say yebema confirmation message na kire say wawuram a draw no oka ho nti yenye ne intentem say uye 18 years and above nkwa nkomo emi no dia say uni 18 kura na ska ho afama panyin ntwama ho star 256 star 1 hash okay nti ena ekọ no me draw no na ekọ kenkenkenken yenko why na edie why na odi okay yenye winner 0595839 na fi do enso ewo ho enti mun check here na fi mun fa winner nemra na min twa me hu sima bi mra me ba ya na fi action no to so live on Angel 102.9 FM yeah live on Angel TV and so Samsung about Facebook Angel 102.9 FM on Facebook and so and so yeah live and then a showdown Ghana football yeah her problems and a solution in Peliford in 7 to 1 atudwa e besan ba na fi part 2 no omo de omo kan bia omo de amai what is Sadiq Adams the sports Obama di kan edene de aba obesan awuramu bio obi tries so de kakra bi tudwa utie listo mensa Bishop Atapoku and the chairman himself BKB Bright can come board so what he kakra every on so eho enti monya winner na momfa ne mremi na fi yenhwe na yenyi eno emfemfro mesa last draw ansana ene my point na me chesika sika na me chesa eye jikodi Friday edition je nekodi na bibia enkoyi emfa ema banji ye na fa ne bre me why na fe yenwuram na ne ye nhye da nimre kra ye nhye da nimre na fe ye nhwe jikodi no na me guso e kanfo easy paint e de maw se eno ni painter se wo tona di painti wo dan a ebeboa afebọ na still aye mono nti ukodwa so na paint na opedia na de ma ne ye dekora ne se no ba bia leak bia no wo se wo di easy paint ni paint a leakages no emma bio nti sanso na roofing sheet no se eliki a wo de fa easy paint ne fa so wo bon se en leak bio eye easy waterproof paint eno ena mekanfo ede amount ene anwumre na bibia akoyi ede amount sa enso ena me no ka say one go energy drinking so energy drink a wonum bia ebeboa fi say no emo ahodene na watimi ede adwuma bia wo pese wo go getter dia what dey so wonum a one go energy drink anwumre onum bia ebeboa wo hu a sporty silver bottle a eno ena wo say shen no ape one go energy drink ni bi FDA4 ensachas here enti pebi enom unim say Dr. Agbozo Herbal Clinic so sayade ahodo Dr. Agbozo Herbal Clinic say me no ka say prostate yade no or sa sanso na erectile dysfunction so be ma no bo say mo adwuma yi obi dia so ago obo wakora bo say yi afirim ba sa emo wakora na obi so a ne de na etimi gina so na emum odi wura ma sese na afi wape eno so emoa na kokon so na obi di pa obi won so a ojon so a na fei ase asem aba oti pains na enam yade ahodo nyina o wa wodro tata hwepa na typhoid ni fever so de otenete okọ kwashima na akra ha ya sanso na teman so community 25 Savannah Junction kuma say for Enfre 055 3417752 05534177752 tema for Enfre 055 7402696 and Accra phone so 0241 750282 na fe yene no eno enso edi enkomo benji se wunya na ma mentwa me homra me nkomra oba me twa me ho 1 minute me twa me ho 1 minute me ba ya na fe ye to aso ye nkomra
1 2 3 Mommy, what?
My sister, no more leakages. Easy waterproof paint is your solution.
So you see, for all your leakage problems, Easy waterproofing is the solution for your walls, your ceilings, your rooftop,
as damp-proof, swimming pools, and water tanks.
Easy waterproofing.
No more leakages.
For bulk purchase, contact.
Ready for something refreshing and great tasting? For your kids' enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
For your graduation enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout?
Angel Cola.
For all your refreshing moments?
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you. Enjoyment Cola.
Angel Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is.
Mommy, water. Mommy, water.
My sister, no more leakages. Easy waterproof paint is your solution.
So you see, for all your leakage problems, Easy waterproof paint is the solution for your walls, your ceilings, your rooftop,
as damp-proof, swimming pools, and water tanks.
Easy waterproof paint.
No more leakages.
For bulk purchase, contact.
Yeah, by a sharp shooter game. And no, and I will shoot to a Sika Benya times 5 and I will bet me and Yantiano check it, say Obeko bear to a and a Ghana phone in a Aji Ede Atum. Last chance travel and toss, and so say main country was still an Omuguso. Omode amount for a 2 kwai. Enti Odian say, Uduani Ebechim our last chance travel and toss. Na omo packages a hold one or horon so what me edo hon akwakushim. Canada there or much Ghana for bebre na kwako go UK ni US and so many Ghana for bebre kwako go enti for any them our last chance travel and toss Kumasi omo Bokrom Junction ho and abehun last chance travel and toss oba Accra so ayo Kisiman Junction Coffee Plaza ye ben Pure Fire Church no oba fre 0553 985231 0553 985231 na Kumasi phone so and fre 0543 565968. Now, unim say Kennedy digital satellite and so year promotion. Now, promo way there say man found one naturally say one and Casano. When you watch say home appliance a man for air ton upibiato. Nina say air condition AC no 1.5 a year horsepower or digit 2,800 pe. And yen in temashu enku uchem will be there and a fine power but to kum and so the mama de ache Mr. Wada compare 1.5 horsepower ni bi TV 32 inches call a year 899 series per 43 inches and so odu ani chire ho a 1799 or tabletop fridge or DJ a 1299 and a TV 43 inches smart TV no or DJ 2100 per and a day amount 50 inches TV a call 2999 also still a bi wo ho na fufu pounding machine the on the buy still on the lead papa no a Kennedy digital satellite na ho and ye ton no ho and outade no wache wade e Kennedy Uncle Ken kwa na betimi ayewe ama washing machine a obekwa obenya bi ato e ho sanso and a gas cooker 4 burner ni nyina ani 6 burners ni nyina obenya bi ato stove 2 burners and 3 burners ni nyina Uncle Ken akofa bi aba enti anu wakai se obekwa Kennedy digital satellite na home appliances no dodo na onso watumi akọ no akọ akotobi na bibia akoye ede amount o pay a chira kwan baby Uncle Ken wo Kumase or Family Plaza building the first floor no e wo dum sanso na patase Kennedy enso e wo ho ono so Adom House Pure FM building na mu e ho na Kennedy digital satellite enso e wo bank na ha dia o wager old barrier traffic light no ase pe e no obo o 02443851 024436 0244385136 and I say 0243074750 Kumasi for Mfre 0244385128 0244385128 and I say 0207653031 now ne Uncle Ken edi enkomo yasan ababio na fe yentoaso o say oh waba okay hello sir
hello
obani udi ni babia okasa free
the premier Robert Opare me Jumo
Gapoa
you
anime wadi
medio wala mo wapo me didn't minute to one me say mo ye na my first one menya and I'm saying you ma me name that crowd abai am so
na ucha ni say o say na to so
first one me try me say 15 cedi this year I'm try 10 cedi na menya
udi say
me did well 1000
o the 10 cedis edge thousands this year
me did thousands this year surprise na me shira mo pa
edi ensem na o ka che Ghana for mo hwe onu du mo huti o
enji na mabo mi no actually baby am yo fit me won me ti committee 5 rent to bi anye bi
yeda se pa ye no ma wi ye nkwai obi me ba ho ye no ma wi ye no ma wi enti ma memra ho wo hyase se problem no ho na solution no e da ye ne aye nsem na ye ne an ye mpese be mu
say in the show no almost the is christening the disease and the cure.
Yes,
disease ni enim cure no so ho dada nti akwai se wa ba Angel Clinic now buy meteor o say oh Black Stars for omo modemo no nso ani say na makọ Black Stars file na makọ twe me twe no sana nsema ye di ho nkobo nyina no empanyimfo di ho nkomo dada 2 years ago and he says okay parliamentary report no medical parliamentary report na they see Cote d'Ivoire no there's no difference
actually mu fie kom
okay inti the right honorable speaker Alban Bagben say honorable Kusi Woyome and the court to parliament and Kobi Woyome yes 26 February inti say akabe 1 month now 2 years pepe now the court to parliament and him say okọ Cameroon buy no otieti amanfo a Ghana for any Black Stars in more money one inti speaker ka say in accordance with article 103 clause 3 any standing orders 178 yente committee na nhwehwe Black Stars in modem a course wo Cameroon omon fa omon suggestions mra omon procure and omon fa omon maye hu yare no na omon fa recommendations and cure to the disease parliament yes adwuma no complete a release paper to that effect sanka aban any all other stakeholders enyina so na nka mo susu se ka the next African Cup of Nations no yebetumi akoyanim yeah, page the first document and data maker said they see Cameroon 2001 no, and 2021 no pepe. Also he indicated that the Ghana Black Stars was one of the top teams on the continent but did not live up to expectation of many across the continent. Yeah, Cote d'Ivoire say top teams we could not live up to expectation. He joined scores with scores of Ghanaians to express their utmost disappointment about the abysmal performance of the Black Stars. Obi a ka Black Stars in modemo send yensi enso ani. And a committee in international say oh the enti omunyina so who said there be Black Stars in modemo enso ani nenie. He pointed out that the disappointing development can be attributed to poor management of the team right from coach selection. Yehu coach Chris Hutton, Konosdorfer, yenia bra ye bo first match no. One coach no joking or joku wo no. Omuma ye the same thing in Cameroon. Poor selection, poor player selection, poor coordination of pre-tournament preparation. Yes, you call South Africa. Now, Danny, yes, you are back Kumasi ni akwaji hotel mu I'm a team no. Ya dem rent it now bus move free. I hold you run about echo Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex or Brancasim rent and foot through kwan so. So in terms of even preparation for the tournament no, I know hon komo nyina no na nko yie. Technical deficiencies, infighting, poor management decisions by leadership of the Football Association and government, and added that it is not only football that it is not only football that Ghana is not doing well. In recent times, Ghana's performance and fortunes in various sports competition keeps dwindling as seen from the crash of our clubs at early stages of the CAF tournaments. Luckily for us, Mediamani Dreams, Omuko Yenteno, yeah, an exception. Oh, sir, Jaumo. Chain. The last time I okay, near J. Oh, yes, and next one. The story of Cameroon. Said the latter parts, meaning side no already. Hamanin Kosro Kakra. I said Ghana was tipped to win the last group game against Comoros to secure qualification. However, the Black Stars lost 3-0, 3-2 to Comoros, and we were kicked out. We drew against Mozambique and we're out. It's the same story. Yes, we're tipped and we're out. So it's the same story. Yeah, medical history no where ni see a kasa bebre. Yanko enim we do it's a person me ha me hu bebre or Black Stars because in panyifo no onim de ye o ma sheda and omo ye de omo eye no. So the outcome of the Black Stars was not encouraging. It got Ghanaians agitated. The entire showdown is a Ghana for Buafu. In 2001 we were also angry. So there's a repeat. Some Ghanaians are of the view that Ghanaians or Ghana should withdraw until say amount for kase. Until say amount for kase and kaye abai mram na normalization is amra bio. Yes. One committee omedi abropa normalization committee. Sir, I'm telling you. That was the opportunity to change Ghana football. No so no omotina football for no. Every room you play football, you free football rantem. What kind of statutes before Nyantechi? And at the statutes of the Nantechi, there's no change. We say somebody normally our statutes the same thing. In that's with him. Yanko any the next one. In 10 term, and Nibraba. Management committees. Management committees here they call World Cup no. And the same people. Apart from Samuel Osekufo, say Uncle your man is serious, a baby sign, say, I don't know Osekufo call World Cup no. Also watching every management committee. Inti makado ne design code there koye kwesi also Kobe meaning say ora for suban Kobe patron Kobe Stephen Apia I'm so watching no Colonel Kojo Damwa also watching no but oje 100,000 also watching management committee ni nyina yeso ye oh yes Labian yeah management committees na ye di ye adwuma enfa no let's roll on quickly. Time. Inti Makado no there oh baby wobia. It is important to note. It's a Hano minister so listen very well. When you appeared before Parliament, you told Parliament that for long-term planning, the ministry has already constituted a team to produce a sports policy for the country. Yes, the team is under Tony Bafo and has been engaged to produce a 5-term football plan for further consideration.
Obama has to say.
It's a more contractual Parliament.
Tony will have friend.
About God.
The ministry believes that these interventions will bring into a beside who say you call Cameroon by no. So 5-year plan they show penny Tony Bafo no. What you draw so we are joking. Yanko Ghana problem similar way move on.
Way forward.
The committee observed that the National Sports Authority is mandated by some acts to provide facilities for sporting disciplines. However, qualifiers played at the the stadiums, according to the NSA, they were not involved in everything. In the committee, they can say they wish to recommend to the Ministry and the Ministry of Youth and Sports that to ensure that the National Sports Authority is not only constituted in the identification and selection of training grounds for the GFA outside the country, but the NSA is fully involved in the determination of appropriate facilities. Yako golden beam no. Na NSA for ya aware now because per the law, NSA for Juma someone ko pedan.
Professor.
Yes, Professor Juma. Professor Juma. Professor Juma. Na FF4 na je aban we official war an institution bia na Juma no. According to the parliamentary report course 2 years ago no yan find no anya adwuma ne ekoje golden beamer ye de ye adwuma sisi no so e de asefoforo aba yenko anim intentem on 18 talents. The committee observed that for Ghana to improve on quality of players, there is the need for investment into grassroots and juvenile football. We know this. Parliament knows this. The Right Honourable Speaker of Parliament knows this. On one sanction committee way, and on some investigations way. It's Mr. Minister said over the last 2 years, what has been government's input in terms of infrastructure development. And it will interest you to note, say, in the report we are, AstroTurf, but the AstroTurfs have been rejected by the FA because they are not up to standard. FA no can make arguments against AstroTurf. No, it is in the report. So we know that to build football, no, you hear investments, but investments, no, Emma. So we've spent $17.7 million in the last 5 years on the Black Stars alone. Whereas the Black Stars don't have a decent accommodation, a decent training field.
1 million credit my SAG.
Yari. Because back to back. A bad one call you foul. No, I can't know as or some coffee, no, as some baby. A draw crona. By a penny for a bro, omonim. So they gave us the solutions in Parliament. It's not any baby out. Parliament, my solutions to our problem 2 years ago. We are talking about the same problems today.
Now, when I said there, say obeshe, I must have solution.
Mami, we are ubekwa ko hu someone the de kra ko kan ye.
Okay, yenkwe.
The de kra ko kan sem bi wo kra na wo dwen ho a won ti ase. But yenkwe anim sharp. The lack of standards. The committee noted with concern that the haphazard siting of AstroTurf within the communities across the country without regard for standards for setting up football pitches and sports in general is abysmal. It came to light that most of the AstroTurfs have been constructed across the country are not up to standard size pitches for football. Therefore, most of the AstroTurf pitches cannot be used for competitive football set by the FA and FIFA. Now, any AstroTurf na see here, they. Into AstroTurf no be na any fair. Now, why 5v5. Into AstroTurf bebre na yesi no. FIFA enforce FA force you to me find judgment. Into development now ye preno ye develop ya ko. We are not thinking. Let's move on. Okay, also the committee said we should ensure that the state ensure that no state institution or individual set up a public sports facility without the prior approval of any. I'm not too sure say or private sports facilities be or memoir. I know they ignore. Rebranding and relaunching of sports and colleges games. Yes. In Kolanko to Kwamuko. For him to go a month for tour Babaya Sports Stadium just a week ago. Penny be anyway. It's a deal with paper with the Parliament. The third powerful force of the country. How much more ordinary people like us? Let's move on. A very sub report where you have to give up on Ghana. Now no who bibia who phobia no ado now call him patcho Mr. Yanko critical issues pa na you discuss one patcho
Yanko we na
okay the selection of players who I say the association was of the view that the mode of selecting players for tournaments contributed to the challenge of the Black Stars.
Association the kind.
The big Parliament report.
Okay.
Parliament say on one person who say a selection a cause tournament in fact.
And on why
in the opinion of Galka, I say Galka koyo Kujo Fiano Kokasai. Kujo Fiano say the technical handlers should spread their net wider. Since there are equally good players, there are equally very good players in the local league who could have been invited to replace injured players. Tournament here, free. On my being who are on less than 6-7 local players from here constant. Korea, Namibia, Mozambique, Cape Verde, Egypt, South Africa.
8 Sundowns 8. Sundowns one club 8 players.
Yeah, coach we no. Any technical team management no. Omo fa 2 goalkeepers no mo ti bench. Now number 10 is menu pe na ye ni mo Ghana. Richmond Lamte ne Di Maria. Now Richmond Lamte ti stands mu na 2 goalkeepers. at his bench.
Richmond Lante, me journalist, me park in the chair or no. Yeah, Ghana League, your best player, no Kobe. No, me pitch in the chair, but you already not got to know. So be Prakrani, Castle, never go do any upon.
In the opinion of Galka, Ghana abounds in football talent and a good blend of locally based and foreign based players who produce a formidable squad. Kocheki, the squad that won the Cup of Nations in 78 and the Cup of Nations in 82. 78, no foreign based player. 82, 2 foreign based players. I think Egypt and one other country. 2 foreign based players. Egypt and Gabon. Yes, Egypt and Gabon. George Alassane and Emmanuel Kwashi. Perfect. No Kweni say Ghana football bet me Ghana na so a Ghana league so. I'm telling you, you forget about some young boys ne Salisu nom. Richmond Lamte nomine boys ne wo kroma no. Omo na ye hwe omo yi a. Enu nti na Haminu Dramani, Samuel Nkum, Ajiman Bedu, Habib Mohammed, those boys, Sheila Iliasu, Harrison Afo, Sami Ejay, Yusuf Chipsa. Mention the names. Absolutely.
Mame mo example. Ashimeru. Wa mo league ha. Ye ko e se hu adwuma ye.
Hwe de hu mpacho ma we ni anyina so a committee no can say say anke ekokro ben ne say ko South Africa no committee they say there's no point at all in camping in cold temperature when the game venue was hovering over 32 degrees. Before.
So ya hwem ke ko South Africa.
Ye ko chile.
Ivory Coast ho hye.
Ye ko kuli ye ho abash ejanim.
With this report.
They knew. Let's move on quickly. Let's move on.
Let's move on.
Yes.
Let's it on record. Say, we ministry no
Let's move on.
And almost South Africa.
Okay. The Parliament tinasino. Or say the Black Stars is a cash cow. Like Justice Jamefe described it. Yes. Black Stars na da ho no se football no egua and now Black Stars ni gua obie no obenya kapre o football mo
go fa no aduane be ball
mo inti committee ni say Galka for coin no mo si da bi omo hwe se na nyoma si ko na no kura ni impanyimfo no didi diska ti asema Galka panyin ko ka committee na say he wondered why appearance fee of for a call up was $20,000 without any guarantee that the player was going to give off his best. One Ghana ni adwen ye ko tournament ya bo show ye the stone boy abebo show usu ya kwaje hwi yo ya nje hwi so ya party kase akai me akwa bia na oti me fie agyan wo wakwa birthday party sase ma ka chairman wakwa rent gas and it's a disco light no ma bo show me meet me fie o ma ye din me tie jams ade achia also ban go on to me go school me pay 100 cedis ma na the other rent gas ni bubra now the see hono na then our person chere Ghana subaya no
bo premier we are na ho chere
it player to me to $50,000 to get into the Black Stars because when you saw kwa obetenika in South Africa for say $1.7 million one J cap na maboka but yeah no obetumi free tournament no ba fie round of 16 no onye ska cha nipa no win tournament no.
So we kakakra bi nkomo beji.
Oh yes. Cash cow. Parliament knows this. Parliament of the land knows this. 2 years ago report we are under DF Anand. Under Right Honorable Alban Bagbin. Yanko anim.
Enye PNDC
ase. Debi nrechi ya. Solutions no. My higher solutions no. The lack of proper preparation and quality of national team coaches. Shall I say the committee also observed with worry the quality of Black Star team has been dwindling severally in the past few years. No effort has been made to groom or have a backup team after the first ever 5-year development plan by Ben Kofi, which saw best players like Michael Essien, Sulali Muntari in international tournaments. And the day I see on free team, say the day why never be shade the nine.
No transition plan.
You need be under 20 boys. Ni na koye
agency players in Kwa.
It's even in this report. It's even in this report. Report team, rev feed. There's a place a committee no can say. Agents have infiltrated the Black Star column. It's in here. As someone here discuss about NSA, National Sports Authority coaches. Someone Parliament can. I say Galka informed the committee that government should consider enhancing the capacities of few good coaches like Didi Dramani, Maxwell Kunadu, Ogum, Kwesi Appiah, CK Akuno, by giving them coaching courses and attachment abroad. Amanfa Tanko Dianka Amrem. And almost answer the realm, NSA Ministry of Youth and Sports, collaborating grooming local coaches. So we reduce the dependency of foreign coaches with its attendant foreign exchange drain. Yeah, you remember? I find IMF for Sika at two accounts. It's your $10 need to say, yeah, America for. The $10 into committee no can say there be send you see $50,000. They did Ramani, uji $20,000. Back on George, also uji little over $20,000. Ya kabo mo minim says na he recruiting project signing on fee in dollars.
Wow.
Yes, it's in the no crown Kujo to Blackwa expose no the buy. But in this report, it's telling us young grooming and coaches, and it's a record that no foreign coach has or the AG after.
Yes.
Into why don't we apply common sense? Pick up, good coaches, local coaches, groom them, and we can make headway. Let's move on. That's why I'm not too worried about this state of Ghana because, and this is my last player collapse. The committee observed that the policy of collapse is a serious concern to the football administration in Ghana. The committee noted that local players have lost their space in the national team. 2 years ago, the committee saw that Richmond Lamptey will not play. 2 years ago, the committee saw that Jonathan Sowa, Obepo Dondo, Obe Chief Drama, Nabakuno Haminu, why laundry boy. Laundry boy, I'm on quiet on no money if you and the Abrano, hey, no assault, no, they call laundry. Training horse. The committee saw this.
First, need your war. No, you must try.
Free kicks.
Your bobo on the bromus. Oh, first, come on, say 2004, 2003. Your war. God bless you. Don't go now.
Hey, but Kowachi, who hear me pa local league, no committee in Parliament say. Say Ghana football be a local league. Ghana football be a local league. The committee noted that local clubs are not serving the important purpose of nurturing professional players due to the lack of funding. Look, check it out under 20. Check it out under 20 squad now. Celeste the winning World Cup no. Under 20 squad now Celeste. Under 20 squad now Celeste the winning World Cup no. 209. Na goalkeeper ni awon Daniel J no ball liberty professional Samuel Kumbotu no ball team by
Asante Kotoko
Ajuman Bedu no
Kotoko no Breku
Kotoko
Casino Grandi Liberty
Daniel Ado wa Boki Feza better to 2 years
yes
one biom Casbin FC Abrante Ransford Dominica Dia Heart of Lions the day free Marseille Naba and Nekotoko
na brighter there wow stars
Last now no Olympics and
Lions.
No Lions. And there Asante Kotoko ni has of folk. Check it there under 20 squad na banu. Fufro na banu. Yes,
winning professionals.
Yes.
And that for still believe.
Liberty. Casino Nankana.
Where problem. Some problem when you free ministry ni FSO. And now Asante Kotoko continue produce quality youngster bia.
Young friend no.
Debi another issue. But on one who kai Kotoko under 20 player bia ususu say ne. You didn't kojina national team will make a difference.
Oh, I'm more young, 1 or 2 guys. I'm ass boy.
Obi, they all cannot. And if we be na be true.
Yes.
Onim say, and ne, Oye Kotoko Penya, only motivated to do that. It is all player. Because we say, so good player, not 200 years.
Yeah, fine.
Oh, Mobi.
Ode grooming.
All kind of players on the move. And that's it. You have under 20 coach, 18 from 140 players.
First batch, second batch, third batch.
140 players. There's some business some kid too heavy. Why? asan obi say edin ketia ya won Ghana ana bobo Ghana ba na han ko botim bay
edin ketia
ko ya won Ghana ana bobo tim obo Ghana
anka o Dreams FC
by now
David
in terms of quality
division 2
okay there are a lot of players based on where they were born and your talent in the bit yabaso Bukayo Saka Nigeria probably
absolutely
ahano se wo from so asana be ne ma be do mekum no na bribe obusu for so tom no because to say talent is not enough
absolutely
but first your talent could just send you the Kaima Gleason throw complete African football in 2001 or say one thing Ghana never runs out of is talent.
Absolutely.
The reason being that time when you're talented, the system in itself will pick you.
Absolutely.
Today, you could be the most talented footballer.
Who must empathy? For John Pencil, example. Can I John Pencil? Baby, I know free.
Charles Taylor, come on, and now come on.
WWW session.
Who must empathy?
So what? All be the okay now.
I feel you are more.
And you know the system. I some we say question. We must have research. Mom, wait you now. Listen to me, mommy. Tell me, top 10 countries. I will we are seeing on your ball. I am free president. I will team in the elite league. Show me one.
And all divisions.
Even all divisions, where bad is over 5 crack.
Your style, abroad the team money, your style before the team. Abroad thinking you're different from your thinking. See, I've a few young son, Madi Wima. Some began opinion for Omono mind some baby. Yeah. We saw who say, yeah, your style of first year running your football and say, you know, say Africa development only lies with governments. Africa, no. So, Oko Brony Chrome and then Oko, then Unum in New Jersey, Oprah Winfrey, a low income housing. Oh, a scaffolding with me sit down with your Trump Towers, anyone. Ghana has South Towers. So, Uncle Rieska in politics, on TV. South Ghana has employ a lot of people more than any sector. What you say? Now, in Tina, first, near him say, I buy the stadium, I buy the BC. Bibi abane beye inti ni attire football no with abane ti abane ni batu na ni ba yi ba ko as every president ni yi ba ko am na be management committee the essence is that abane ni ba no de buy no on where abane mu ni ba ne na ba eti occupy de wa abane ho a omre football people see enya mo ma anya o ma de and we are doing it and no ko Morocco oko Mali anyone why now how many home every president look at their connection with their government Morocco kwa de Minister of Finance and home every president. And then it's
straight.
It's Busa Hodi, Yako World Cup, yeah, baby, I can be against South Africa. Mali call World Cup.
Because Kaguma can remember
Mali call World Cup. Mali is state of the art training facility. Camping base. Bisuma no about Tottenham. Odaho. Sa ne ho hwan foni nyina omodaho. Yen. Yenibi. Yako World Cup 9. We have made more money from football than all those countries. Opa, Mali say no money from football. Say no money. They are not getting anything. Ye when you know. Minister Enienwu say all signing up to 7 people taking $100,000 each. When our Black Stars, Rio, our brother, the winner of the league doesn't even get half of that. In 2 years, sure say, and then down to turn to grow my apartments near Yomoto, and you'll be net $300,000 and $400,000. So, are you telling me that a Ghana co work up near $12 million? Ghana intimacy ultra modern facility. I bet you can be a player so, and then Brazil from players. They have a facility. England from Moko. Some of them born condition be a what they be munya. Omo campaign a week to the tournament, then they go there. Now they fancy any facility be na sabi what year Juma. And how means so as what year Juma. A tournament is going to be played in Ivory Coast. Ghana share border with Ivory Coast. You will almost say official entry points here by 21. Unofficial, don't want to mean kind. From Ghana to Ivory Coast. You free here cause South Africa. You are near because you need the now Ivory Coast colony and tomb. Okay, report now. I want to be anchor. You can campaign or kata. You buy FA president the testimony to the committee, or said the players were disappointed because facilities they got to work Cameroon no, now you below standard. Now go campaign or kata news of Bobo Cameroon. All say Ube school. I was a mix. Now so they call remedial classes. I was New Jersey and New York. Common sense should tell you something. You are going to play the tournament in Cameroon. You went to play in Qatar. Qatar ko Aspar Football Academy. Investment akomu nyasa ngeto. Obo ko pitch no. E da so nsensa no hu eyi esreba akokra omo. Esreba akokra ni. Okobo no Cameroon. What say oba no see players na disappointed because facilities ni below standard. Now, what they find psychologically cry baby. What stop you? As a, that's what I'm saying that you need that. Adi sports minister won never you know to eno mba no. Yo ya na say me sports minister ni bia. And young parliament I say. People do not understand parliament. Parliament here say Obama that was like a better obia. Hey, every sunyane, otobo sunyane a. Mo sunyane na esi munyi nipa ba ko ye be hyem ro Ghana, wo na wo so be kasa mamo. And mo to abama no. Ye wo su bi nyina ya to abama ba ko no so aba. So they all come together. Nti uhema parliamentary representation of Ghana. Yeah. They are not lords over you. They are your servants. You sent them there to go and serve you. What important I say? Now, ye nam one ye ba ko so ba be sports minister or representative baby but your money positioner oba be sports it won we a rep of every single Ghanaian sitting out there the other boy in a car say oh Ghana ko you are South African then you tell their friends no can for some ba moba Ivory Coast ambeda hin also I'm sure better Puma Hotel you born wo Felix Ofebuanyi Stadium. So okay, Cavs time be na mumra. So Cavs tournament Ghana first match everyone said 12. So I'm say I'm not 10th. It's okay. Now advance party munko hono munko bisa say about 2 weeks before that day na. Ombeje say you be tuanya be da ho, you be da promo. You be da ho. So the players were acclimatized better. Empana odaso London Hackney Central. Nyan no be da so Ivory Coast. Hoba o yesi na queen. Africa. So by the time I saw shock in the film, oh, you okay? Was settled in Ivory Coast to play. And yes, I Germany here or Brazil. What you say? Germany won't down go Brazil. I'm going to now. I'm going to go now. 1 month. So I'm going to now. Yeah, dear, see, I got South Korea and but the players will be shocked. So when you know now solutions. Mami Kenya Obama for the Kenya man. The program got him to 10.
Chawa minyami.
My time to Tobo.
You can't about coaching, you can't about BBR. Player structure. So yeah, a Juma. Who a Juma? So a Juma. Now from the same manager. Not the Biame Banam Kato said Juma Boka. What would you do?
Mesaki.
Very good. Bounce the Black Stars and the thinking is not on the business line. Because Black Stars is now Ghana is spending what's your coaches close
to $100,000.
There is no plan. You are a sports minister. You have link to government. You can go to cabinet meetings to defend budgets. Can't you go and draw policies? President Mepaucho. President, I dare me per se, say. But who said the Bia Boka coaching? Yes, you offer coach way. Avram Grant, you offer way, President, the Bessie. Black Stars for no. Omo bo mu wie na. Ghana for ni momo magidi no. Me unipa 10. Me yi August na hemfo. Ebi asika akono. Me yi Steven Apia. Me yi ebi Asamoah Ma Ajima Badu, mabobo ebi 10 players. Young contacted scholarship secretariat. Say, you pursue schooling these boys as coaches. It is your tenor. You the 4 go England. You the 3 go Spain and Portugal. 4 go Germany. Different philosophies of football. Wow. Young Koni Yankusia. Yes, here we are. Young send Jessica to even those teams. So many attachment. So in 4 years, your number Bobby, near Frim, near Ko, near Bano. Then we have a backup and go for Bio. Sanko for the bar. The state can even institute at the say every month you bet you be $2,000. omo ye adwuma ma aban no.
Okay.
Then the FA only aban na we. Then those coaches, I see Insuatema pe coach. You see no, Insuatema you coach you ha. In fact, you won't even have to pay the coach. Yeah. Yeah, the coach in the mount. Mani adwuma mam.
Practicals.
Mani adwuma mam. Ya just our coaches na gusto wi no mo ye adwuma edin a na de bia me kan doctors ko bia bin bia bon. Teacher for bia bin bia bon. No obi okɔ school bia na ebin. Etu omo kɔ ni nipa 10 no say emu 5 I excel. Then oye adwuma ne kakra league ni break ya say wo ko Liverpool ko jogging club ho. Wo oni ko Pep Guardiola ho. Ya ko tueska mo mo si ani o ma ye a certain partnership. Go and study. Okwa omo ye training out ho. Now we no busa questions. No usua de no aba. By the time the current trends of training unim, how players are dealt with at that level unim. What's your BB Kagana, your pump coach a year so Michael Essien, you did not go school 3 years. I'm not going to Essien. Take the blasters. Try your hands on it because only your school in two baby. Essien ba oh yeah, Kakra Anye Brazil did it with Dunga. Almost do the Dunga Koba and the Chomu say
Pereira.
On coaches no. So yes sir, you have a plan with coaching. In the next 10 years, Ghana will not spend money to say for coach be 100,000. And if you be about because what training coaches are on baby Jumama. And those coaches are training because of baby one baby free banner. They see themselves a future. We you cry baby. It is our coach, you know. Who impose the play on. But only man you be careful as the FA president. Make some way and I won't mention as I'll say it again. Ketanya careful. You go down in history as Ghana's worst FA president when it comes to the African Cup of Nations. Study the first AFCON, if you say second round,
group stage.
Second AFCON, if you say
group stage.
No win.
Onya win crap.
It's you're winning a single game. If you say can't be FA president,
in our last 12 games.
Now it is easier to qualify to the next stage than it was before.
Yes.
Because first 16 teams, only the first and second qualify. Now in there, teams are no, don't qualify. Did 2 pair and then qualify. 2 pair and qualify. If we say yes, I'm gonna qualify that. Into me, every president, I will call a meeting and tell everybody, coach, we have given you the job to do it. No fear or favor. So you say, me am secure. So me every president can force it for player we are meant for. Do a good job for us. The reason why you Ghana, you crazy about Obiako Trump and I say Obiako catch him say, you only need money your man could school abruchi. Corner bruchi and I'm bomb cabro for because Nankanyasa con his door for who's a college down.
Because a college down.
What to me, the board ahead of Richmond Lanty. That. But the reason is that he has a on the skin passport. On the skin said yes, your friend. Are you bringing a couple of county? Ya dream yako a certain angle. Now, you care about orientation. Orienting the group. Here, England in the last time they World Cup, 1966. But every English player named Bobby Charlton,
George Best,
Dennis Law, Hurricane. Well, who said Bobby Charlton Boboda? But Hurricane him said, you can't England born near ya Bobby Charlton because you're too much dream. Blaster players. Ejina ho and o say Kofi no mo kasa chiro mo. O say dom si ho mo.
Eh baby kwa de na ma te
ohunu da. On hwe ni bibia da. Because you from no ya catch mo say. And central for no there is here mamunye nya sa o make kam ho nsem nti. It is the blaster players feel that omo wo baby and a more baby because orientation papa bi any ho. So orientation papa ba a lot of things will change with mindset. Now Obama school na go video Obako school. Oko try exams. Obana besro say open laptop. Oko try exams. There are
Obe tamano.
Okagana ho. Would you think like a Ghanaian? But tamano onko try exams. Me bo oko try exams. No can say daddy open laptop and say madam for be your laptop be one say me minis scam the better laptop.
So we need video.
But this is what I'm going to do. Exam now okay. Say utimi your first to third I'll buy you a laptop.
What true challenge man?
First to 10. No, they got try exams. Ope keke. Obeti mi ka cho say me pay Paw Patrol nkura ne car na omu twini bi daddy to me madam football school or see papa to be a man so okay ene me sro say na beso ye first me makunta ai obini ai Virginia who ran the basement that twice nko so what challenging the man am is Africa do omu control nka bibiem odunga so di first am to we am akwa na kona go di first that's all koto so bu a the one papa no but what promise now Ghana is a father ne ba eco competition never started on what top a year the body so pay $20,000 you cook $20,000 na man you say j na ko budget how on earth would anybody put in his best when you have already been rewarded? Who will do that in his mind? You, right? You might play beer $20,000 before they kick a ball.
World Cup 100,000.
Shadi South Africa, Bruni, Krobia Bruni, I've been Ben why you can crab out NM. Yes, say Ghana penny for President Kusku Abuchi, why Kusku Abuchi, Omcoin, I'm so home.
I said FA President Kusku Abuchi.
Good. South Africa for say inti enyo wan say South Africa timi home players enim
local
players enim say mon kwaje 7 million na mon chemfa
how dey gina mon chemfa
mon nyina mon fa say any da so it is South Africa me hear on first game and I realized something obo against Mali a match Mali share 2 as I say but look at how they played Mali in the first half. This is a team that is fighting and also they must pick yourself up elbow. South Africa be omun timi so man timi I'm sure me South Africa sports minister me catch them say me my boys in this car. They fought for the nation. These boys, yeah boys, did you see any fight? They don't care. They don't care. And nothing na blaster player. It will be na no kase. En foot row or kwan so. Hey. No kasa hin yete.
Omo kwa brankese no.
Ahin yete.
En foot room.
Yet in foot room. Also we mu kede mo kotinka ene yi homo hwe amana ne do
o kofum
ayi ni foul so sent the foul so aka say
tulaku ashama
aka tell say aha thank you for him
omo support
omo sika nya gigi a ye dey mama ko campaign no so if you are a leader penyin a wo do ma no say makado one management committee chairman now wo ho Nigeria for omo camp
BK me fan to do sempen for the 30 minutes akan ho enti ye be pon 10:30
2 or 3 minutes I'll wrap up. Okay. Nigeria moko Ivory Coast Obama ho Nigeria for camp Nigeria for Timiba players no Ghana camp a China war zone kwan fa no security yes security zone we are treating the players like they are presidents so what is the edge to fight edge and say to fight they don't care obebo fine one more fine. Now, you can't about when you can't about and some new maybe try your boy any. If you have an FE, I am management committee chairman. Management committee for I want someone to ask them, say, dead man, I'm here. Odo problem is almost awesome.
And then I'm managing you.
Odo mon charge you more. Omo charge you more. You don't need any expertise. Saying advance party, I'll pay hotel. I'll pay. No. Come on, show it. In Germany, something happened. Germany fortunately who said Manonuye. In the next 5 or 10 years, Oman careful na Manonuye retire. Omo the goalkeeper. And boy no was on their friends say
Testegen.
Oh. That time not Klopp. The goalkeeper na go na one your friends say
Carlos.
Klopp will be goalkeeper. Oliver Bierhoff spoke to Klopp because he was a German. Say Uncle Fat Testegen. That time not Testegen Barcelona number 2. Not Claudio Bravo number 1. Oh yeah, you know. And no call Barcelona for say. Almost feel say also Muton Testegen because it's the future of their goalkeeping. One of Barcelona for so Claudio Bravo no cry Pep Abefano. It's money worry Testegen is going to be the number 1.
Getting involved.
They get involved in the players' careers. Some players as a player didn't be more in the team. They can pick up a phone and call the coach. Say, coach, what's happening? But in the interim, I can't want to move from David Moyes. Only look at the number. But I'm sure Michael Essien better call David Moyes. Better call the training of West Ham. Who doesn't know Michael Essien? Michael Essien about coach. Maybe I'm a Bambesa Kudus. He said, I am maybe a national team coordinator. It's in Behe Kudus, the training there. You know, coach, no to say the training to say. Then you got my point. They are getting involved in the players' careers. I'm not sure they blaster any players' attitude. Me, apart from blaming the coach, I blame the management committee too. And I'm a Catholic Papa in 2005. It is yet 20 money as a management committee is about going, following the team and making $100,000. $100,000 for one single individual. All you do is sleep, wake up, Robinson training. Oh, why night?
Say no, a way of rewarding them.
So if we want to solve matters with the Black Stars, yen president bia, and minister bia. Obetimia Kas and the Minister of Sports is the chief advisor of our president. Also, Minister of Sports, to me, Konana, Doka, and Sanana. Me share and me who said, me buy and me who see a Tieska of Blaster and it is saying, Ambassador, Mr. Wise, I go tournament, I mean, Mamma, show Mubim. They say, the Ambassador, crying, say, Kaboy. You be some free for anybody new meeting. Who now president? Who Kadia? Will be to carry. Young Blaster for winning bonus from 10,000. I'm not 3,000. Go Ghana in this car. You go, who say, who's a gun in this car? In the end, sir, come out in this canteen because it's Scania did ya. Come last also come in the top of your group. Say Scania the Bobo and say, why be your most caca soon now, Obodia? Also in your top of your group. You're free African Cup of Nations, not Zambia share. Blaster play being $65,000. Zambia, G tournament. Nobody made 30,000.
And it was $85,000 each. Black Star player.
Because I said,
and Zambia, 2012.
Yes. Zambia for Nomogin, they didn't make that much.
So, entire budget was 800,000.
So when you do something to get the boys to fight, they will fight. Then now if you're not doing the local league, say this is the local league. It's in 2006. You have 3 players. Yeah, you can't. You review Hamid Dramani. Hamid Dramani was playing for Heart of Lions when he played at that World Cup. We have Habib Mohammed. That time the people no but Champions League. Apple Tel Aviv was all no. Sameko for no but Bayern Munich, Ajax, Roma. And yet you need free to play about King Faisal.
Elias Shila.
Because we had a coach who planned, and yet it's only a goalkeeper trainer. No joke. Only goalkeeper trainer. Yet Ghana, one of our biggest problems is goalkeeping. What do you do as a coach? You find a way of solving it. How do you find it? Onima money free consultation. You can be combing the breadth, the length and breadth of Ghana. Local league centers looking at goalkeeper because you're goalkeeper's coach. There are some things if you're looking on from a goalkeeper. To be a must have who Felix Che. This boy is good. One for the future. Make catch him say Blaster here from the third choice goalkeeper. Aha. Obama Mr. Felix Annan. Felix Annan was the third best goalkeeper in Ghana. Ever see it? National team was the third choice. Obayo Masoko is working during the season. And on the train, there was not a single Black Star management committee member who was concerned. Because Felix was the future of our goalkeeper.
Enquire.
So you call Masoko and say, Max, boy, we're there, or you'll be at Nakwa come back.
Any problem?
Yeah, I say, you're saying, I the problem be all. Maybe I watch it, you problem be any hot. Now, this is a national project. It's what I remember. A woman say the other don't see a Ghana media. But when the team rise to that level, so encouraging for him to go on. So the bay at Chinebi on the Baba day, on the Baba number 1. And one boy in the carrier, anyway, away, kill him on time. Because management committee. Now the management committee man say, Enti Sami da me a minister. Now me some nim catch and say 9 million. Your budget 2021 9 million, $9.7 million US. And I'm saying Vancouver tournament here 4 million. No matter so any players in the transfer no. Also be answer 10,000 and nobody say na Dreams FC any players that transfer negotiated. Some pafi off from say obi abeje saying some ball league na match be obeje saying.
And no cry club.
And no club no. Off from buzom some obeje saying. Una utwa ye nyina ntia cause say away bonus 500. Home bonus 4. Yes, I don't mean that's what they do. And they've been doing that and then sanity. Why do you do it differently when it comes to the Black Stars? Into Black Star players, you can even have the best players, but if you don't have motivation, you cannot do it. Because you say, hard work, then the hard work achieves more results if talent doesn't work hard.
Yeah. Hard work will beat talent if talent doesn't work hard.
Exactly. When you have the talent, it's not enough. Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi. Everybody knows Messi is more talented. But Cristiano Ronaldo has added hard work to it. And now, you're near challenge. That is what happens. So, then what are we doing? Factors that affect performance. Then here to get the best out of our players. And you can say that. Some Blaster players. A negotiating table. Say, your budget 220,000. Hey, Bemani Ghana home. And now is our president only a man?
Can you know why they do that? I've told you, say, they play about what catch me playing.
the night before the game against Mozambique, BKB. So who your players need to in our park in Swa. The entire day Casano, the day you in him said clearly, ne papa say for this nation when there was no winning bonus. They know. Or say, and when you follow Becassa Chomo, player in their cow. Go and kill yourself for the country. Everybody is watching you, Ghana. Ombeka speeches now. Team. Also, I will pay as a Quasia. Ukasi name says he can't mobejiwa. Meeting a moya ne dear moya budget tamoye in Abukasi. Ye seniors and I can't trace a mukamonye. No moje 3 times, 4 times. Seniors no mo buy na. Ye palm sule mu free camp no. They have told these guys. Except a few, our mu free abroach no minimum. The demo Giscana, they know say we were cofani Niaba national team. There was a speaker of parliament or the one personal mazua. Emma national team because almost 2 weeks, 2 months, Some of the budget in the parliament, no, because I say parliament near the budget never no my approve. Say in the city.
Now some say some Bobo is 2.
Why?
Bobo is 2 no last time.
Bobo is 2.
Second one over here. Who be free?
Aha. Cheme. Oh. And to Mrs. Speaker of Parliament, or no name pastoral mazo or me budget approval, no more catch and say approve budget now. We be no say oh. You could bet me wow.
I'm approve information.
Oh no, Speaker of Parliament, no den mazo account or kwaje $60,000 or $70,000 in 2 weeks. He Ghana here. Speaker of Parliament, no ne mazo a me and Ojan say could team net no more approve budget. And the players in there know. Team Mazua, equipment officer 2. Way 2. Na Ghana Black Stars need team. Your bodyguard does on chair psychologist.
You need psychologist.
You need psychologist. Team no. Now zoo no more. Zoo now your bodyguard na jatapia. What's on players no. Your bodyguard no more Black Stars.
And your players, Papa Diano, I can say.
And never be a Ghana do brawn, not brains, brawn. Oko German national team. I mean, security for crab bosa. Brawn, big, not brains. Into a beer person in Nipa Benidi. And the parliament, I didn't say a cash cow, no, they know. And Pennyphobia, Muni Bomb, or Muni Power National Team. The parliament for the cash cow, no Mungo. I don't know about catchers, I will Black Star Hotel, the media for any honor. Now Penny for Sabi, a do and I don't know, do Bako Kona. And Mao Mudi or Murum near camp players no good them. Players no, they are well. And Tibon or Mobon may say they are not committed. The commitment is not there because they know that they are playing for somebody to take the credit. Kill yourself and I could see no. Me team would make £20,000 a week. Maybe you must see any motivation. And to me, come home. Me come home on so more and I'm more Canadian. And to the end, I'm more motivation. So if our players are not dying, Sikana ye chat ono. Mammy cano crab Black Star players now so more piscano. To be honest, can maybe I'm only mean.
Obama, and no quite a side.
Yes.
In 2019, I met 2 players in the elevator.
Yes.
I'm good at far, I'm good minister.
Yes.
Some are qualified. Qualification bonus 2019 you qualify now. You lose. I think you about draw. You about behind the Tunisia year free.
Yeah.
You about draw against Benin, draw against Cameroon.
Guinea-Bissau.
Yeah. It's our only win in the 3 AFCONs.
Yes.
We show them good far. Far no the minister on say. Meet on the president a year near kind. Scan your kind. 36,000, 12,000 per gig. Tomo call catch a president says can call minister on say 36 near 30. We were going to negotiate that. Omoka Kazasm. What you say? Enti Sikan Yomope. But you mimic Kenny. Obama. Samuel the into a moji 36. They know so be at so Obi war any COVID. Samina me penny with you. Now someone could cover AFCON. When your budget and many. Budget ben ambeaba. Dear Mubet Tomo. Yes, sir. When your business class has better.
Yeah.
Puma Hotel and I come with that penthouse. Yes, sir. But the amount penny responsible is all the bar. Ohima.
What you can be
must wait, Debbie, my chum. Yensa, wait, Yensa. It's a mimic say. Sometimes you blame me if you don't know when you are. But your mandate, no. Yet you shame a baby in some. I buy no needs can I buy now, the Ashan in some way you minister be so. So the minister is not supposed to be in bed with the person bringing the budget. The minister is supposed to be the check and balance. It's your boss, Debbie, Mr. 9 million. Now, I need a job in your say. And into the study, people who decide to speak for the FA, Ghana Ghana is getting $8 million. They forget that you qualifiers to get there. Now, a ball qualifiers, you also move $100,000. Now, as a qualifier, now, winning bonus. No, go him and no quasas. No, walk up, no go.
Yeah.
So you paid him bonus to qualify you there. He qualifies to get there, then give him 100,000. You are mad. When you do that, you don't have a brain. Angel. No, listen, hey, unim. Yang can go and check and penny for. It's a discarding now with your noom. Is Omamu to see easily go and dine to easily go and assassin to be say. What if I saw you to assassin $1 million? Can you me? You ever see a building ultra modern facility for sports? You bet yes, in the middle of East Legon. People are still Oliver can just since no more most can you be.
Yes.
And it means that we can do it. But the thing say the typical Ghanaian leader is thinking about his stomach. He doesn't care about the future. It's where when said we pretend to be solving our problems. We pretend to be solving our problems, right? Me come the blast South Africa. You call almost one day. COVID time. On the field of play, the best Ghanaian player in that game was Joel Famia. Yeah. He was the best Ghanaian player that day. Who is your second coach? Yeah, players are from free camp. Yeah, from no count. Only Godfather. Na Enebusa, I say England national team, Hurricane or Godfather team, and boy. If because of his talent, it is a way in a year. Nana Kufuor. If you can hear me, if you can hear my voice, change your sports minister tomorrow. He's a bad rep for you. He's disgracing you. If you're a president, not players are born with him over several times. They come and promise you winning the AFCON.
Can come suggest somebody because no win Nana. One we are not the worst.
Hey.
I'm telling you.
Nana in change. Nana on
because I will cast a one conquer change.
No, because
minister no. Now the ordinary baba. Or babe cool there.
And nothing make us
because
you should get somebody who knows a bit about the game.
Yes.
What you say? Who
no son no on change. Nana on change.
So
7 years on change.
On the babe advice about sports.
Nana on change.
Who needs sports? Maybe also know about. They say who need it sports minister the bar. Also be advice so say you say. Or no advice. So that's a be imagine send another call. Last time for come go party. Some go dinner. He was advised to go. And I understand that people were even clamoring to ever winning bonus in count. But South Africa to me home players and him say
me
the day okay to Krekuni players. I saw Kasacho Mohash, if you must say Ketan Kasai, me I supported him. I was see a bear your teeth, a catchrom. It will sure say one day if government wants to have a say with the fancy government so baby, everything got some penny. Now bankers okay, then I don't have money for the Black Stars. If you don't listen to me, no go bomb ball.
But the
thing say about their political tool, and every politician wants to make it look like Blaster, your boy and a Blaster. But that is why politicians' State of the Nation address, announce it. And the Blasters during our tenure, the Blasters went to the semi-final because any bearing with you, any bearing with you. Oh, they say, look at the other sectors of the economy. Leave football to the football people. But the only thing is that Ubetime demand accountability because you represent the interest of the people. And it's in the UK. Interior Minister will catch up and say, I'm building more 5G pitches. I'm financing the FA again. I'm more capre. Or catch English FA. So what I'm saying is that our FA could be the worst, but there should be a check. So be check you ma. So me a sports minister. I'm afraid say Ket. Me person me dey aban sika. Mo budget na mo dey ban 9 million. Me person me mo 3. Me person me invest 5 million rather in the local league. Into me corner na do. Nam na go kase. You first can be local league. You for mamo. Now you minister. Now we budget so. Now who say players are $100,000. Management committee $100,000, and you sign off to that. You let people assume that
yes.
Obiabe assume that you get some. But you said the ghost can you sika, a gun of Usika, and you are representing the people. The only thing we can do, first of all, changing our mindset. Ghana changing the mindset. Ghana because Bruni say also a club person before you can run football. But North Africa for him, so Krono, Mran, and he said you must no. Yeno their way. Oko England, there is no way. I'm there. Okay, now FIFA ESCO members, I got the research. England, you know I don't there. England would in a time or resign. Also, Ghana ni budget and yet 77 predators. Obakra ko dada ye defense minister man run when or resign.
David.
Or resign. Only it's ye hano. Yadjing a different. Yadjing a different. So what's it? The FA and government should sit down. Now, by say, and what's your style of doing things? So if you want us to invest in the national team, and now, everybody has fallen for it. The blaster belongs to the people of Ghana. It is not true. And the mom did that down. It belongs to who? Since when did the blaster belong to the people of Ghana? Since when? Since when? Mun can tell me. Because you approve a budget. It's your idea. It is not yours. Idea your idea. Unim no. Some me dem bako ja obi. So him banana. I me na me tell me bano. They be am an intensity. And me afford it. The one who be a catch him say there you ban dey be am 100 cedi in Kombutu. Oh dia. E your ban emba.
Me ba.
Mo. So it is not yours.
And what about Shady or the man?
Government should own up and act like government. Now, not way you are a president. Act like one when it comes to football. Now, not do to me strong and talk to me. Say Ghana Medical Association call Echo strike. Okay, Ghana. Or say if they don't go back, you meet them to negotiate. And no, doctor for strike only pay you. Over now man for the crown because Obu has said you carry you. Because of ultimate private hospital. Ghana. Hospital and say assisted dialysis machine. Ghana here 4 million Ghana cedi. And they are to be. It is a month for team renal unit, a month for team dialysis. Not Ghana, they will have you discussing. Dialysis machine, no. Unim manual committee was going to do it all. 700 times, do it all. About your time, you have to tell your man, so if you are government and you don't think along these lines, you are lost. And this country, God save me.
Me da say BKB you was 17 minutes na emu 5 there me dey my listeners no and me fa course emu 5 minutes me dey my listeners no but one man bla bebo mo na oba ya kan mo me no mo nche 44 na me ma one man so 4 na fi ye mfa wi
Mugusu negotiate ana because numbers no.
Benjina Jikodi ho. Okay, Jikodi ho.
Mugusu negotiate na yen sorry.
Oba mama fa me promo code ni ntuja na me last draw ansa na mafa course no. 11 me last draw. Enti Jikodi promo code no star 256 star 1 hash. Bacho me basisi star 256 star 1 hash star 256 star 1 hash. No one selected option 2 Angel FM Accra. No one enter number of ticket our person auto medical catch say 1 ticket be a 5 cities into bet be a to do our pay and you di catch 1,000 mienu uwie ya bon say wa enter omomo pin no na fe what ya usika na kama na ma confirmation message na fe wa enter into the draw enti Mr. Wada ye next 3 minutes no ye be say I another draw enti star 256 star 1 hash star 256 star 1 hash na fe wa select Angel FM Accra. Obi mami tie na fe
when they're wrapping up so with their reports in them said the whole bia betumi akofa kan na won say yare no ehun aduro no e wo hodada ya na say akinkan you say abro say den you the reports him or say club agents have taken center stage in player call-ups in the national team. You go America, yeah, US for share for you. Any abriati lobby hosa na agent be aba no afraid president. Not na ko share baby. The coach ni no many
agent.
Yeah, club agent or agent. Na say national team agents in kwa. Agents in kwa say agent ba ku na manager assistant coach and now some manager under 20 agents in kwa. It's here. It talks about black magic. Adena kudu sa me train wo Kumasi. Black magic. It's 2019. Omu rezi wo Parliament. Say black magic wo team nimu. Adena kudu sama Kumasi me pre-campaign ni bi. He was not injured. And that's what team nimu. Omu ye omu.
Juju na.
We ye omu ho. Omu that's what team nimu. They call committee na nimu. So far they say your 5 coaches in 4 years. They say as at 2021 it was I think 3 coaches in 4 years and so no we cannot be picking coaches into one a coach no what did Milo Van Baal say no try mama.
No matter my
No try mama try my kwe. The shortest coach I want now memua since the 80s. I think 165 days, 4 months. Why no kofa Milo buy? Why na this CK buy? Otoado why na didn't buy? Papa your buy and say year of return. And I decrease you in mun na buy. They see our coach here, coach Fufre kwaku you want to be na buy na
F4. Huh? And then I say and then F4 so on my side.
Chief director yo. Chief director of the ministry so account. Lawyer ya oka committee no kura mu ni oti committee no so ye dey. Ye pe lawyer some maka football once man to fia nko ni yo. Kwakwa yi ani ho. Ya lawyer bi aban rem.
Moses form woni mu.
Moses form woni mu nyina se Moses form woni na bamabu. Adwuma Moses form woni commission ni ye pa ya mfa ba kokura nya adwuma no. Eya
committee because the only technical person on the esco.
Oh, home. So I'm sure, sir, maybe in 2025 Morocco, you be kwa bano. Just a misamba biom ko ifa ne ba.
Yeah, call the one hand and qualify crowd.
Me dey hear me cry World Cup. Me have called man here for so bia wasa. You kwa America o. Mon ko pe coach papa no me ya adwuma no. Na mo under 20 ni sa nyoma ni nyina mo ya dwen koso. Your league, no, look, in the report it says we should have a standing national team that has 30% local components. Parliament say yo. If you have fun, Juma. Our problems are so clear. Won't say, oh, mine are a team, no. I don't know, sir. Nanyami boy, yo, said there, yo. Yeah, what documents? Then so baku kren who Juma. So I'm just hoping, sir, mon some fire railway, some remibium, means some ko you found and can't jump some happen. Mo de malaria ya ba happen. Maka ho asem musto moyare. Esi ayenya mo den. The problems are so clear. The solutions are there.
Okay. Oba also we mami.
Angel Energy. 11.
Boso.
Angel Energy drink.
Me dem tuna ya fush na na me.
Angel Energy drink etenche. Na ye dey show no but ye more ma baso.
Sanso na cola no enso ne orange no. Enyina aka. Yes I peach e wo ho. And I wo apple lime nso e wo ho. Na de tie say energy ni de e Califi.
One man no more.
Obanyi no mo de ma. Say come on.
Kofi
Oba.
Ghana for guso a omo hwe ya nadwi. Na me shocked with the number of messages. Any nipa omo ma input. Owura kudofia na okokasa o parliament medanase. Nsema waka ni nyina na o open. The biggest problem with Ghana again, leadership. Honesty any ho. Let nobody tell you in Ghana Kofi Sasem no be can be tell obiemu a. Na usiana me ma chance bonasum. Se ebechiwa ye ncheme. So obi catch us Ghana how opanyi bi o ska. Enti adwuma we obeye no. O me peska. Mark ado ba no mo ka so ye dey.
Akwa no abodi pa mo boma no pa.
Almost saw your insurance broker or Canada.
Yes.
US.
Yes.
Now your compares for around the Black Star. And me see your team no Black Star na e guno listo or makeka. Actually kwanya under 17. And ya 4 months me mobi ne. Kwanya wo more team be a wo more junior national team. Se Ghana parliamentarians are more shy amudi a chiko tournament. Se mo ma bontia me so ade we ya no anse Ghana. Posterity will judge all of you. A few players, few clubs, and list to my facts, you know. No, a few people cannot be eating forever. Sempefe, Kasina Nankana, you're teaching one day, Benab. Why won't you anymore me a talent producers or Ghana? Right to dream, yes. Wafa, Seoba, traditional method of cry, orthodox, Sani Dendem, Camarade,
yes, and a King Faisal,
yes. Omo chese omunim collapse to uko Brazil. Your friend national team was a Sao Paulo player
Santos.
I was a Santos because omo per reputation. Say omo ye long omo proper scout. Nti Ghana na free players a ye mrani ye ko liberty because ona na chese or ye honest or ye proper scout. And I right to dream for money papa bi oni my friend Ayuba. Omo sign contract. Akwa no nko ade na nyame de achana. Otimi ko hu kudus. One ko hu Ashimeru. Okohu goalkeeper Abdulmanaf wase hu ba ku bia ne omoto na ko Western Osman no papa no woni ma no ne ko hu omo
okay
oye normal person ɛna Tom Vernon identify no ɛdeɛ nti no no nko akɔhu player na ɔde ne ba ɔtache ball two a na abrɔfo penato no. These are the people who should be scouts for our national team. Sani Dendem, Ayub,
Kamarat,
Akoye Okohu Afana Jani. Players are from Mupi Obo, none one who say Mekoye MC Ama Omo Adiano. Wafre players 10. Emu 8, Omukoi Syria A, Omo Bo First Division of Portugal. Ofre 10 players call up from inter schools. 8 Abrofoto Omo without any less than 1 year.
And Nino ho.
Ya jao munyina ni yafa few players. Minu yake tokraku. Sadia na wo yese se ni ya ba ho.
Aba ho awi Obama.
Pesa wo be say wo legacy. Oni o secret. Any multi teams. Omo nko an betimi abo. Every national team inticate e be kono. Ofri ho a wo be wo say Dreams FC player mo national team bi mu. Ade entia. Liberty player Slighted to call you know. No mugusu bo because the talent was there. Bastia will not struggle. Asamoah Obo Tono Mumbre, Sulamuntari, John Pencil, Derek Boateng, players not from when you winning ball.
Rabbi
Aladi Gruza, Dortmund for but no Matoni player from Gimfesa straight to Dortmund. Talent and winning scout Tonya media channel. And ticket, your national team no and one massiminia. Metna radio so ye say Anyante TNT and now Namuye interview. Yenkasi is special, but me cannot cry me pewasem as a person. Stop that. If you got one good player, eat from him. Stop it.
Medasi.
Coffee meba, mami throw.
Me draw no.
Meba. Why draw meba? Solution no coffee meba me throw. Mami time kakrebi na me bunko today. On stop me no. Se ekwa ni mu bebria fidie bi betre na. Sika nya ni debiem. Me nua ket. Metima ka kire okoko meka na amanfo nsɛm list o bɛka ne name akoma krai me ya kasena na nka na Aminu Shado ne dia wame ka nsɛm ba ko kyerɛw. Blacks are former players ne bebre mu ye nyatwom. They call me and tell me say why would they go to school play football for 15 years na Aminu Shado ya Blacks team manager. They call me say Aminu su Aminu I say unua no no a ne credential ne say a ono ye national team manager ɛdeɛ na Aminu ni mu obo mu he no ye team manager. Na me se mon kan kire na me nua no me ntumi nka omo se obegu ni ho ani mase na ye konso ebe frim because onu team manager level na Steven Apia di yawo se onim hwe mpo a ono ye yi no di Aminu Shado aba se wo master degree na Aminu Shado nko na akọ school a osani bom na me se ono so ye qualified me ma tro ba bi so ye qualified ma bona ba so but the omo kan say team manager ye adwuma a obi a wabobọ na wako school ene ye de ye Aminu Shado nya bi o team kese bi ada straight to Black Star ade no mu gumi nua nani mase. This thing should stop today. Omo ko ye technical team equipment or your equipment officer we there knowledge no me so or you qualified almost or qualified we hin onye bi da on a team players ni nyina ye omo hin because some former players na kanti na gumi nua ket nani mase. But already na wo ye no e premeditated e deliberate. Entin koye kakra no nanko ajai omo abo omo no ayi omo afi ho no for competent people no omo so betim no maba e ma Ghana fo nkasa wo ho na nyantachi oni e penasem 2005 March 12 I was among the people who carried nyantachi after Ghana kevet akura keto na me yeso no na me boye boni sem president o ade si ye no hwede ba bi onam enti Ghana fo kan wasem wo ball ho a jai afei Minister of Sports policy 5-year development plan yes so monko family na akromfo awura national team the agent nti yan fran kra omuni bobo a omuni bie me say nkran ena me ye de ka fa Sulamuntari in 2000 ekwa Winneba after inter schools best player uhwe Sule na akwa ni bobo obo 3 11 6 5 oni obi ni ma miss agia kan de no oni hwe o konongo wa remind wo bo no ko case yade ni sika mu ko polythene bag na kuta no yade ni ko Winneba okoye na players na chips am o matena ho ache nti wo ya kra na yade oba na ya introduce to system no okoye na ne ho afa okojo ni under 24 no mo ho no Razak Ibrahim John Mensah Michael Essien Lai Kingston Gordon Atram Banahene sa players no Gordon Atram Michael Essien John Mensah Lai Kingston o mo bo Ghana under 12 ya started from under 12 but Jimmy Bro and SMPF Mark Ado, what team? Oh, yeah, boy, he Ghana had a bang. Oba no me no na tena radio so me ne one man tokwa.
One man dey obo mu gini pa.
Credentials so wo krom ha. One man so onye obi am so wako school ha, wako school munya o mbese ball. And now buy a okoje $100,000. No ba good national team.
Say me ka so nyobia.
What and am ajatum, me na mbe fight man no, me say me ye objective, honest. Facha me. Me be kind credentials so wako school ye broker, onye broker bia. Oje $100,000 okofa milo. Obi a wajai bo ohwe nantwie so wasabia. E ma ne be gu ye team. What said the West Afcon coach oba o na de buy. What the Cote d'Ivoire West Afcon after Boake disaster. What's had to also okofa coach. Dia nko na wo mark ana one na ado shed name ntia. Dia na wo mark ado ho a.
Ado fo ne hard no.
Nti me campaign ne say Ghana for national team no me makoma wom no. First time mama hu me videos no no. Nioma me team ya wo Black Star ho no. Me yere kra timi ka say ya bobol awie. Akwa onidi. Ghana bobo na me compare ho a. Kofi me se me pay ball ache. Nti me money pa few ense no. Se nanado danko akufu ado. Me ntimi nhyɛw. Se Mark Ado. Ene ebe for me committee biem. Ami asa kofa coach. Na wo de me tax. Atua ne kade a. Me de ne jaw. Na me kire se me nya obia. Se Mark Ado san lidi. Se Ghana kofa coach na wo beti me tax. Afini fuel la me koto so a. We will sit here in this country. Minister of Sports. Bibia ni ho a okotena parliament aye overtain kra obo medin. Because we gave you a document, advice. Say minister, opesa udu din a. You ani free bibia mu. Ye boy inter schools and now to what say Jamaica for no. Obo medin me say onko school sports. Or say Obama me by so your top journalist. There na menye. Me say your school sports. Now for yanka say minister when you boy inter schools 5 or produce players 40. Walk up CSC win ba. Ama nkra na koda ho san yo sam do dum die ni bi. Mekani or can in our parliament document I the command no. Obodi or parliament. Afa minister iba ya. Minua no egumani mase. Ogumani mase. Who me say won't prepare budgets. DFA for the budget about what sign. Honorable, you are disgracing me. We are known to be honest and forthright. My name is Sadiq. It means honesty. Then you sign $100,000 that seconds should go and take. Seconds now country will say you have defeated your own intelligence because I said they are not quiet. Do you know understand that? Me a minister, my interrogative budget. Me tell one man say I don't deserve it. What me say me nyansa. But one more honest no Canada moi. Why you Juma or Ghana? A friend is saying revenue. Oh dear no more boom. Now about 100,000. Where are the 100,000 mark? I do 100,000 after embarrassment. Ghana Fosika. Now minister was signed. Document time the Mamma Fanto Swami. Also the 5-year development plan.
The equity 11.
Also the 5-year development plan about. Munko Ministry of Youth and Sports. Ghana's advisory body on sports to the president. The policy. Munko click on policy or ministry or Mamfanto Swami. So click ministry ne policy or my ya or my de boa Ghana for Mamfanto Swami. Esian Mamfanto Swami. Ghana for Bianco www.ministry4youth and sports Ghana. Now mon click on policy. Obesa already Ghana ministry ne policy a. Me dey send them Mamfanto Swami. Wo phone bia so call phone so. Obesa hu Ghana of sports policy ne forwarder. And that's so no. Obesa obo Ghana sports ministry no. Policy or my de boa sports. Oops, nothing found. This is the literal representation of the country's sports future. Ministry of Youth and Sports. This is the policy sector of the website.
Nothing
found. Click on it, and I wasn't surprised when I was doing my research this afternoon. When I clicked and I found nothing found, then I said that is it. Ministry of Youth and Sports. Ghana now I'm gonna advise it into a person obey investment to sports and click it. Obi person who your sports future click it. Go and click on the official website, the policy sector. Click it. Say Ghana a sports policy. They say internet and they say oops, nothing found. Sorry, but nothing match your sets in terms. Please try again. Different words. This is their website and that's one. Ministry of Youth and Sports. Our tab on our policy no. Oko be BMU budget here. The BI oops, nothing found. I didn't expect my brother to do this. And FFO ni good animasi no nim. FFO ni good animasi. 2 tournament Miniano na the West minister. Miniano the West minister in 2 tournaments. This is not something I want to be associated with. I don't want to. 2 tournaments. If you add the World Cup 3, or you're the West minister in terms of achievements, our laurels, even in terms of infrastructure, no facility. Yes, in a team known to me them in Kayaba tournament. Now, Minister of Sports are setting in so much that Doma multi-purpose sports complex because Doma is close to. So, Minister of Youth and Sports was so Black Star answer. Doma multi-purpose sports complex. Na Siamaka say, we are said the city and Black Star beat my campio. In Tinkomo, is better to tell us tonight. Or my driver for 10 minutes called Doma with convoy. There be a muko training, or money fans interactive. Nan Koma Bomu, or my for what Cote d'Ivoire. Minister, no, I assign so among South Africa, but for the good people of Ghana like myself. Say document the crime we in 2021 and Dawanim. Yes, don't go and camp in a different weather, temperate environment at variance with where the host nation was. But Minister Nanka Pesomoko. Sikano ya doso. Millions on ya doso. Sometimes 1 honest month, 1 honest week, SAV will be in a reputation. Sit down one day. What was so Massa Minister oh say Mark Ado and some mature committee. I want to believe some more Jessica Bidu ho. Moya cartel and mo cover mo because mentia see the entia nanado. Any minister besha say me taxpayer $100,000 on GF for requirement on the aba. Coach no more pen in 15-year experience. Wa we ne trophy da. Munye serious. Muni development. Muni baby amu coach da. Muni baby amu players da. Muni park amu bobo nya stadium crowd muni be Professor Chuma see the one and a half one ho me money. Muni baby amu players da. Me call Ivy Coast players train about me hobisa tapuku. Ojina ho say no money omo kasa Obama yete se mo kasa. Ye mu bie ba bonti anke betima ka mesremo. Ye bese ye train krum, ye mpese ye beko ba bi o. Imagine say wo camp o Ghana. Na ye bie one day say ye wife mu mehwe ye. She feeling ayenya. Me donyame atapuku nie. Ye pese ye train ho ne ye camp te say de obi atena se no. Ene o man bia Morocco, Mauritania obi akampo no krum. Ye nya bia anke ye pe o. But facilities ne nye. Monkasa na omunya maye. Ye ni bi. Mauritania afforded 10 million euro in 5 years. Aye, omo facility at the whole world. Omo can will be Mauritania, desert country. What ya woni bi? O say 10 measure budget na banji ode ma me no. Black Stars Sika say in the last e work to kreku no. The FIFA diaba any bibia no. Ye nam say over say $17 million. Sika eba free o 17 million. Mauritania for the 10 million. And yes, 7 years. Yeah, there 4 years, it was 5 years. $70 million. Polytank na uhu. Footballs na uhu. Boot na uhu. And in a scaneko. You want to win. Why criteria? So pesa ukofa coach. Coach now 15 years proving. Just how pesa uji $150,000 for the coach. What you say? Criteria now they are to one there. Upe blue chip CEO. Just how pay CEO or yeah big. And to abano above 150,000. Won't mean can't abano. Hey, criteria normally 200 wow. Unya sa coach no Ghana here pragmatic coach or grassroots. Black Stars so man we ne matches omo we ne dada. Ukofa Morino ba. No bebu sam say he na mo ye training. Oba bomasum
e na mo betua ska se ama coach.
Criteria na mo dey ato on Morino. Oba ka say Morino you honest. Aha na mo ye training. He na mo players na mo da. Na wo de ne na mo nya bi. Da bi he na mo da na dwumetuma ko mo honye hotel. He na mo da ye betima tum obi ama hotel de asawo for ya Black Stars mo da 3rd floor na asawo for da 4th floor. Ndi asawo for itwam na omusu twam. Asawo ni asawo. Ye peba bia ye da obi ama ho. Te sa prampram mo fa men ko ho. Na ode wo ko na wo ko bie dan no kire na nyanya nkire na e ma na ko aba. Nyanya nkire anka Black Queens player Fafali Dumasi wo ho. Nyanya nkire omo de bucket ne ko nso wo ye National Training Complex. Ene. Na wo go ma coach $150,000. No wadi. Na minister be sign. One moment the criteria to almost scrutinize it. Na dear no mood na so a omode kofa coach. Coach no mo pam no okono. Report to Ben no dia mo. Management report to Ben. Management committee no mu no. Nipa ba ko pe na ye adwuma Ghana management committee. Meka na emphatically ene. Obi oho bi agisika dia na o sika no odi team na chi ade nani. Nipa ba ko pe. Why adwuma ne sa for more than 25 years. On na ye bibia me di Black Stars almost 12 years in here. Ni power on the Black Stars management committee bibia onaye
Mr. Asante na
Alex Asante obi odi team na chi bia o nhwehwe animu me na me ka tell nipa bi odi Black Stars na chi o pesika ana nadamfo ye GFA president and minister ana aban ena o se ko ha na ha de 2 weeks ubetime nya ho tam ana Ghana fo agimi no munya ka goal ba ko a ne ya pia sika na gum omotiam goal ba ko a ne ya pia obi odi atire bia me papa seconds nti na omudi scan man no he okano ati ha papa seconds ordinary owie na brabo wasi hotels ni bibia wo bi odi team na chi a oni obi anko kasa oti omofo. That is not team manager. You are rewarding him for the ono awasi wonye seconds onye we ho kosi adjumai tourism is Black Star na fe na beton ho. In 2010 Black Star was ranked as the biggest sporting brand in Africa 2010 World Cup by Forbes magazine. The biggest sporting brand. Nobody sells Black Star. In Tinyami Sakosi Ajima never turn Black Star tourism. Black Star started tourism no Kwame Nkrumah. And you never turn Black Star. Black Star a self-serving players no more they sell the team.
Mr.
Kosi Ajima. Or your man
yes,
no, last one year sign Macado. Before so be Black Star management committee, one 30 player be a man more that level. Onya be biata. Players they can't relate. Germany for Basler, Bierhoff, England for former players.
Gary Southgate.
Unu kra na oyema show. Tony Bafo, any Alex Asante should do this job. They should do the job. Sack all of them. Sikan omudi. Technical team no, omo interrogate. This is not FIFA issue. Ghana de tu amuka. Interrogate. Minister, please talk. If you get your position retained, save your reputation. Whatever they have given you, money or nothing, save your reputation. Na Ghana for Black Star, who did diagram? Me say ask some people. And you question go back. Some people have omako through conditions. Omo nu omo. Enti se obani ase obetimanya player we under 17. Wa me boy team a mobi. Unkwa na wo peska me ko team ni hu na ebi mu hu we na mamu na na me se me nya bode dwo adro ba matena ho 30 years o. Maybe bia ni wi ase maka kire se menua keto clock frame me. Se me GFA communication director, deputy. On pema se maka on fama me hwe me ho na no. Sika metimanya bi. Ba me se me nya qualified now. Secondly, me ntumi nye adwuma a menye honest. Samekase maja journalism dia ebia na mabegu mi wani mase enti akyerese me ne relationship but me tena air. I have to say this is the first time maybe I make on air, but you know
una akyerese we good friend
Kofi, yes. I sat down and said no enka bia me wo ho Black Stars asemi nka mo di matem na me dado na so
enka also de nkebe yo pa
mo fi me but Kofi Minyanu baby was a man for your reputation when me ho say me corrupt. I have 4 many years ahead of me.
Yes.
And made it me board jono sir untimi blame Harry Asante oya adwuma no udi na tem ni nyina no that is his job to come and say things omo ka kire me say me post a story about ya chi obi hotel omo nti obi that is what he has to do nipa dey handcuff ago ni say day
that's all.
So the Black Stars one sack the management committee, sack them tomorrow. Say Ghana for more man sack omo a men ko ambeya one man demonstration stadium na 40,000 there be a one seat be empty men come to take it in men come
no the
demonstration and the minimum say Ghana for be join them say until we see the changes and the looting we will take action. You be march to parliament near moment we say you cannot use one team as cash cow. Yes no na man for kind dollar na jo da suo mu no don boy there no yes no na be kisi say na see there be a $21,000 na wo bobo na skada so player no nya monwie na the sika na to amawa. So Mr. Kate, you have one final chance. Sack Makado
Oba Mr.
collapse that committee.
According to traffic any producers we say obi ato time a ye didi ewura mu enti ebe ne de apema woman mama ma 2 minutes na I would 3 ye wura obi die me senka 40 you close.
Okay me kra de atia bacha munye dina muntie
enya dia metimi afa me course no
asembia ntia ne nchechire mu na ebre no aduro no mimi o team ene omana champon ene ampon ene kwame yebo ai odi ahenkan ye team no na ye de nyame asese It didn't say any Ghana for say. Assembly a kind of Ghana had biano abemu. Oman can say bia one man the first time when you prepare demonstration against the GFA. Yeah. It been see that since 1958. It been see that. But we did it. Yeah, my Ghana phone will say 7 years full. Me supported Georgia free first round. One man we need. Second round we buy no. And can I with my aim fine. Like my cousin me support no. But me feel say M1 Ghana. Me ko dig adam die ki to bi na me fan tia Ghana for black Ghana for ofie tie no me nyansa che me amemete yi. They can choose to make sense. Na omana ye football na ye. But they are choosing rather to make money. For this is suffer. Because choose sense I won yeska. But bet my ye japade ma we are saying na bodin. But won yeska. But they rather choose money. From top to toe mo choose money. The money no mo choose no. And I don't want to hear no. Now put Obama nko choose money now. The whole world. The whole Europeans you know. Omo choose sense. And no money din na Dutch na discover omo. Your currency and your money. Nyabanya se see idea omo chere currency o. But money ni se obo choose sense no ye adwuma. Na bright attack say papa we dey adwuma wa ye there. Wasi for currency se aduane ni. Now who choose money on we nyes ka bebre. But cosmic law no e be chew. E chewa. On sa che no. On sa che no. Achi minister. Achi obi achi ket. Na Ghana for e chewa hu. Ghana nyina na no bedi o. Ghana nyina no bedi. Afi wa kasa kra na mountain pie. You can't go anywhere. What dey me can say. Opa me maduma man 46 years no. My Ghana supporters no. It's my baby. And obi be. But how far without my knowledge? Now time be 2,000 people. I don't transport them go Cote d'Ivoire. Cosmic law no be chew. A chose one nobody can pay you. On some mo call the sax is here. Mo call no sack no. A sura somu. A sura somu. Obeko. Hey, President Pa Onyano ko obeko no abeko. Hey, obes one sack wa kro wa abeko. Because no nyam bia ni ho biem ma. Hey, eno nyam bia ni ho biem ma. Hwe. Oh, ni ka say coaches na ye point o mo no. Listen to motomo. Listen to motom. And no man can say distribute to players and all the clubs in the whole world. He was a coach, you know. Was me call some boy no call no picky player. Me call Doma, me call hey players no one dey to one ko pick one. E the team na e bo no e obi dia o. We say national team e nipa bi dia. Okay. And no macroso. But the woman say me dem last word that me use am say me say me san ba ha Monday. E kwan bi e ba so bi a Ghana benya no to apafira. Obama tie otie bright tie e kwan bi e befa so a atoye e pray tifin anafo ye be san lead strong demonstration say we don't want Kurt and his people. Another demo yeah hear omo the way enough is enough omo ko yom team na yem pe businessmen a omo ni interest bia o place mu na running association as a business. Na yempe sikama clubs no fan running omo clubs. Enti the word that me can say obi anti o 1 2 3 4 5 no kicking from office. That's the demonstration. Kicking from office. That's the code name. Kicking from office.
Me da Dr. Abraham Boache ase me da